that new Africa.
na mi ba egba to ha ma me da pe na mauga be na mi mo pe aba ga da gba odo mi ga wona ya hage be na mi so ya hola ko pe aji tony magbo ye nya blogger so fifia ba se da ga o nya kple prisla agbasi ye nya gbono ga mo tumo ko pe cho da pe na na mi kata da mo gona mi plaga afi wona ya ten nya godo mo da pana mi ko chichi na bachia nto mo peso takba ha me yila ona go which one adam ko fi photo su da pana rich stitches yo ka dona chona ashai wala au da pana mi ba mi ba basha go ba rich stitches le fragile hotel bo le powerhouse Biana Junction ka me da pana bola herbal clinic news things ever dictionary le ni baje ba olipni laga abale kimi na dami ja wana goma kulansa domenya rekade ikanya quote for the day you know number motivational segment but me you may throw as a quote for the day ka emyo go nya konka nya jujo yo ka kamle ntomo nya bo bana dranyo ha for nya yo gomo ka ano toji alo nya gere motivational segment na which I like here for you. All right. We have a quote for the day. Quote for the day. Great things never come from comfort zones. Great things never come from comfort zones. That is a motivational message for today. Ngao udo gucho nyafa yo kama midajidi yo kama ika nima nitafara ko yo kama ika comfort zone like na da gomra baba comfort jijema comfort akofafa to comfort somebody in na fa kona da jigera yevu ba meta ko man degere ko ma fia na mo abnya to bi ha o nya lo gbo na ofa nya okay kaka akofa nya comfort da jigera miapa tapo wo along gown great gown meta wona gown ne la cover fam ne me at the comment direct like a comfort zone seriously ko ye ne le tafara o jijema ba jijera kan na ko furam na le pore ma amaro so hotula ogba alabo pon biagia le ho haim
o be la lady alo be ko tenant defuna we juwe kaka
pere ma ha o ro nyam alo o nyam ona agbana ro ka mo na agbara ka o de duare ji ngadia akpo horo li ka na gere ho ma enyo ho do ma ka tene na ka fra ngudu de fa na bai kon na dogo na abai na chochi le fa ko fo tekmo o zron fo te hu
ko ba foto gara
da enele comfortable la porema el ho haima mi kata mi hono mi kata mi nya bioro mi kata mi lo mi ano no ke o jijema Akwa kono ga ko na ba no yin.
Ano yi fi mi kwa no.
Kakai ne yo de ponu juma ko kono baba anyisa ni bare bon ko la kono na ma be akra bi are no.
Ano jijio.
Ko ka hoya de ka ha ma je kwetutu no o emete kwetutu emete tu ga ya fo ka sana poko so hotola. Da do ya mo de na mi de mo la ngba ji yo ka ba so na agbo gan ro to kuna na mi. Ado ya kpogo be enwa va be plamache enwa ba du plamache no enwa ba defuno agbe kaka kpobo e mai ire ngo. So that is one. But most importantly ni mi ya gbo gbaja ko yen be bodem ko mi na kplo ho ha nya ni mi ya gbo ko ne be a yin te ko la kwa za defuno ro na so rengo. Yeah. Great things never come from comfort zones. About the my shame the comfort house. Let me va.
Sala me jenu eta.
Mo do te fare pore. Let me ya o do ku TV enka e hanya jojo do. Let me ya o morning show any no morning show. Let me ya o morning show after 10 o'clock. Mi o ke am down over no la chite. O bulo to pe.
Ano number etiki.
Big thing like mo kwenye morning show. Me am bugger and and amomunye nka afu afu concepts afu anwo enworo nka design ge awo move kakakaka fong le wulo e ba mo lodo ke fong le ke ma yin so ka ko ya ba o jo ba npele ko fong
ko le do e tan ko le ko fo
sa kpore mu le ka ma mo lo mo sha mo na you bodo na ba jiga ga ma le show ni na ba ko gbate de na ku hara shin pon na mo yo mu ga na mo
niko ko de nkiro ne e wa na wa be e to wele e do wa akọ property yi dara na weta ne me weche oho ele na mpokota vone enya background ke hecho ne pele ke to weche jego me ka fu va ko property ke mi nu e wele nu dodo de awe wu to we ani jiwe jeme o ma o be susuma wana be na ga wan ko koreko akene le tebere ke he etofi ekla tarekpe etofi anu ya buta me aglobe ya wanu ga
susu dog your brain go work
afa popopo
your brain go work you see so America monya gbola ga re kwenye kene kopala aglo we shut up there's nothing called unemployment silori umu gbona na kamali ko gbona ba dore kama kpowe na kamali na ba amia domeli ni o yo biaba de na ko harashi chachang amopo hohon pom yo mo khefo na o ha zoom line ogba yenye one of the richest company recycling plant won abobo ya o wo keke won kan wo ta won mokata o zoom line na bola ko no ko na mo cha chanu ba zoom line ko e fe bo juwe mari hatu me ga no yo was zoom line ko maron kuita mama national service from the bank mi le department are we have mi le department have reconciliation if you have na banka mi pa ye nano mo balance o garo bu ma nya jifi ke gale ta ehia be na ba chogba no PayPal deposit slip check so ni o ke gash ni shami ko chiachi telegraphy wo transaction are ko na ba jabe e ya de huyala ma ba de a enya huyala ma ko be enya na no ma chambu ga ka ke onye national service yo banka gbe wu nya ho susu ta mi afuma ko nya ta je ko mo sita yo no mi amba o mi o mi le zoom la department e sia ya na mo wa ko ga ojo wo ke na ba ko be de fiki ka ti o mu re gba la mo yin aro mo mu ra gba ke ba 5912 omlo 5921 afimi kpogabo okay ta no train mo nyo ko gade ke you know mi amba zoom la even in the bank ono ma yo amba zoom la
class file ananko road road kenye nunyala we ya minye zongo pipo minye zoom la
sankwa ta isi agba ni gbomi le pe ba mo fi o ni kashino to le kana fia chacham du ko bubu ma yin amo dom de gbeta du ko ma bon wa sum Like a ball common. Listen to me. There is nothing called unemployment. Nana kameli abadore kameli makwamao. As I was Supi and the way I felt them. The chacham abojokpo hafiang bojokpo viola kuma. Ojilo monya fika ojilo dagero. Aha tato anya dore. Apopu de biomove. Afiang no gba no fiang. Alo ayo pa kuma no hafiamu. O dada yehu no gbo ka hoga. Ha doni. Edo amagbeto fisha fika ku hiade le kwa. Edoli na mi.
E pomi anto cheme be tame von bubure. E fena mona mi lo. Aha. Abe avan amede jila gbo febo. Mata no viwe gbona na yi domenava. Alo na ifi nava. Ne letifu na mi alo ne consider alo weekend wene na hefena. Problem. Kakere jila kemi chano fofo be adasile be vinu na welo.
Emanya bubu ema. Jilao da na shovyong ne chichao. Jilao da na shovyong okro na ko ina resuku ga pro na gbo mema. So that topic enye double comfort zone ebe domelesio. Ene chachawa ajila de vofonge be yada shaving ga ke jila ha gbo be po de viade stop academy viade. Na no gbo ye never. So it brought me to a comfort zone. I can't bear, okay. Jilamo no go. Ta ni me that in a comfort zone when you're. So there's nothing called a gamelu. There's nothing called we don't have money. Me, I don't have that mentality. So and ni mag bromi kamala maro mag bromi ke maletefo. That is the truth. Ne dogoyin dogba hu zadoko. Anduga ko kule ke gbebe ye man tagode dodo wune ya naza you behind you know go scratch floor you go hungry you na so be ta so le ko donago aba a hustle I am a hustler mare bian ko mi de ko ate popo no we mi demiano no fia the elder sister be judicial staff orojinye ngbo onya hustle I come all go yes because I do a lot yes so nkpolo nyajila o jaji gbo la ji pedo doyi o ba je blichimu le blifa dodoyi o ba o yefugboro demeno o yashi o church pelive o demeno afi o ba dagble so please, nothing great happens in your comfort zone. Do 24-hour economy will never happen if you just do your. Hello, am I mistaken, Mama? 24-hour economy? I'm now done in Duffy. Your brain must be working for that to be possible. Menya ba to ayi chat GTP akpo na no for ba. God I beg you. I'm not go quote of the day how me like how. Ayi chat GTP aba akpo na no ko de achoba no fura na mroki be you know be talk. You understand? Allo. Menya. You have to work. You have to work, and a lot of things must be put in place. So that's how we start our show. Even kind of point to Jack Boy Shakuma, I should tell an Nigeria. At the moment, hello, yeah, I'm waiting. All right, Japan Pola, Nyapa motivational message, man. Nyakimi broke about great things from your comfort zone, and that's how we end the motivational message for today. My whole domain to Pierre. I'm how they are working hard, leaving their comfort. Ghana, me, Botosu Ghana, me, Botosu Ghana, me, vivi, when me called, you were the Chofia record, but we have actually gone. No, it's not like that. No, you never campaign on the but no my campaign, making my campaign. Where are beautiful? Let's go for a short break. We'll be back.
No silence ever English dictionary. medicine dictionary aka zo afi e passe ke Lucilis ever English dictionary standard ton yeah standard yeah and you know the view can le basic level and you know American le SHS and you know American le university allo le language on nanya make manya be view e be a strong be kra Lucilis ever English dictionary and you know I'm a American nanya be view mo jura po and be a strong be Lucilis ever English dictionary and you know mama nala dile go so mad na kula atia place order le Amazon allo number can call screen Nigeria opo to me to the can WhatsApp afisi african la ya call Lucilis ever English dictionary akwa conveno akpe Lucilis ever English dictionary enyon to.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Nivage Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Nivage Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Red Stitches. Afi enye nyongo plentuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sport wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobi nine junction na de Frajet Hotel gbo tututututu afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Go.
Oh, what the? Let's go do it.
Oh, very much. But I feel like you can do it. I have too much to do it. When you want to kill.
Oh,
you never fun. You never too much to move. I'm not go.
that another Abraham Baraka in LA. I party to connect for Boye. But the husband didn't run fear. Coco in a dinner for Garawunya, Yapon or Passy Banico, who went on Yan Kurama. Well, a Passy Coco for Yakokatara Gay.
When not go,
Vai, but I can lose to go. In the big dad of the Cremonton toe. Vola Paticawa, Busiolo, wait off here.
Why you vola togo? You man no Chicago, Mokung Jaja.
Vola chika no pla na zama fiva nana kama furaga nao mashama nazi
nyapa toto wala toto fita itanye za vola chika nyato matoro ha woza vola chika fofo jijila ama
this vola piki vola baby
ma una yura vola to ona wala masa
vola pachika wala chika drapo kata alo gado pa dayo pa mala akblawu ojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned le akwe kala hwahwe gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street ojango local restaurant atututu opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton Kala mamli da gbewa oja dogomo ndiga andre kple afa wadashina ndogawi efe. Okana vola le 0244 512 1450.
Vola.
Nina ne miayi, vola eva senta. Afima mia poto yola, nyadeba vola. Efi valo, akuloli le fuda now, alele le fuda now, domaru le fuda now. Achi de padaka, ufuto makata, mele to wonyi dewa. Eti maklo no ba, na ile vola heba senta. Ikele jengo apla, Victoria Park. Afima na poto yola. Wotu akame, waputo, wofukame, wofukame tutu dokada. Vola heba senta, Dr. Prosper Debeneba. Apoto yola. Come on. Vola.
Kadun kwajiba vola pachika munyuna funo.
Yo akpana mia fon kola we mi chami ele mi agbo le dongo chuchupi ma ho ma toni magbo enya boglomba akpana mi lo be mi chava ngba TV aba TV yi ke gbo mi ano ndi sha ndi de TV gbogbo kata do me esi na kara yiwa fi ke na se nya jojo ma kuku nu fa fian de to bole Ewenyigba fogbe ikenya fogbe akwa la nya afema dola o nyanta fola araba ichira doma ve nela vengba TV kwa ano tuturo bom la ofo munya ofo ngomo seseme yakaya munya dijwe Asimatumeta mikbana mi ba mianoka chacha mapakule mi la 0242670773G alba miano strong. Mia garanya jurubalo majojoma. The don kujiba mile jimfuga hostel la hofia. Atagre miaji na ba jimfuga hostel la hopo li amako. Nyakboga miaraje. Anji made kuba fano. De mi la mieba. Majumada befa cho srodere mado bubu now ashi ka chamele na masrodo go na kuma George ha le chashie tete majiba na ba o church le vo ba TV aglomonya na gbonyani na ba jira machi be machi nusiam alo na ba de wo mutefo afian do akata ta gere vo ba TV bo TV ye yemiye mi fatu mi wona me amaro gomi negere mia jia mia mi ro mi la baka ro mi atuaga no mi atuaga ni otu no you'll be shocked.
What?
You'll be shocked. Dava bia otu no la ni our business man. Ta number ma pon le TV aji ke ma yo mo mistake for me. Mistake for me. Na mare ka TV ai pon kra mare bia ma chi jaka yo me go ina do gbe ni la ba mi so Ewenyigba fuma ekperade ne le TV agboko mi la agbasa re kam mi so America na po number re le TV agi yo na be hai TV akpo ko be ayi na ma wo ni ma alaka American japo chacha yi kata ba interactivity get interactive ekperade get interactive nana nyole mi amabo po ya fi ya cho ye cha you know no ya cho TV gba ba ji tajare ya gbe ya problem yomi all right nya jojo gba lo howide.com
Scrubbing double track will better wasi results. Mahama. Ayin says Cathedral Fund should have built Agenda 111 hospitals. Laboni Bank Syndicate failed as police neutralized robbery plots. Interior Ministry orders probe into custody assault. The Ministry of Interior has ordered a full investigation into how civilians gain access to an arrested person and allegedly assaulted a suspect while in police custody. Nurses, midwives salary crisis. 99% receive arrears. More than 13,300 health professionals recruited in 2024 have now received their outstanding salaries.
Wow. Charlie, how it did of Konya for point to be a jiparo. I swear. Hi.
Color combination. Points.
I swear. Graphic one. Charlie, mojo chopa, lo fiki go jega chwe. Okay. No civil, Dorojipola bedside nurses have 99% of their arrears cleared.
It's a good sign.
Obo ho pari arre dome 2024. Nana agudam kwa kufua bukwa for mamle. Many apologies for me no. E provide ke pari no siaji for the last year. Oh no civil the dome. Ak mo ke fara ke now. Nurses, midwives, salary crisis, 99% receive arrears. More than 13,300 health professionals recruited in 2024 have now received their outstanding salaries. Hello, midwives. More than 99% of nurses and midwives recruited in 2024 and affected by salary delays have been paid their outstanding arrears, according to the Minister of Health, Kwabena Minta Akando. President for the Coalition of Nurses, Stephen Kwajo Techia, led the delegation to the Ministry of Health to formally commend the minister and officials for their efforts in resolving the payment difficulties that had confronted thousands of newly recruited health professionals. The affected professionals recruited in 2024, but okay, so we leave that. Due to financial clearance, many. All right, so I think that's a good time. Me may get phone. Let it play.
Oh, it's a good.
Yeah, over that when the minister banka. Over joy marry no do you work for no enough for no gak no.
Oh, but
we don't want. It's okay to go and appreciate the minister, but I don't see that as an important part of news reporting. I work for you, you pay me. I work 30 days, money in hand.
People from this aspect, I'm a delay bablame. Even though we freedom yellow, like we right here, but I know abroad me. I tell bablate make a camera value.
That is it. Rather than withdraw their appointments, however, the ministry decided to retain them at their duty posts while working with the Ministry of Finance to secure the funding needed to regularize their employment and settle their outstanding salaries. And according to the minister, financial clearance has now been obtained for all 13,500 affected workers, with only a small number of isolated cases yet to be resolved. He has consequently directed the ministry's Human Resource Directorate to expedite action on the remaining cases to ensure that the affected workers receive their payments without further delays. Barago Glombe over the minister menyayo. Yo jabo nyayo menyayo kaka esimpi yo dom ragbana mokuka fifiafi gava. I don't get it. This is excuse my language. I'm a journalist. You know, and this is I want to say nonsense, but I will not say it. This is nonsense. Oh, komi de domo, alomo komi de domo. Mi domo, alo mi domo. Next view mi nye ke mi desuku certificate. That's the big balance mi ashiba no view mi nya. Dono papa mi pekpere dodomu. Agbetavli no de dono vade ko na kada o ke na gare kada ta nde government bubu wa 2025 aba nyami this kind of poor mentality, nonsensical mentality. What nyami aleke
it's affecting us
because a jona mahama one way nana way Kufo way, Mills the Kakwe Meta Woman, Mills Valley, even district chief executives were at post for 6 months who were recruited by Kufo. No matter Mills JJ Muni now. Last minute, JJ run out banning on the Mills in because JJ Amomunyo now Mills well actually join him. father for all. No need no bojidi, no hand over project. So, Mahama Vajija, one touch. Pam, upon pam, because. So, you see, Amoli ko nyana, mi da kuku. Kaka nice how many wo nyana. You are not public servants. House post the kakwela gomo. Small victim, over midwives low. Young a cooler, how call a motor jiba do grako. Eko, Nyamama Nyagera be, Nana Eko Doni. Do call them Makato, Yamahama. This is a Makbo reporter about Gaga. This is what went on. You see, ni suku, ye mi komi ami mi ba shock ban ko dari e gbesia agbenya jojo ku sememile. Politicians ko sememile. Elem nya o me no gbogbo. Politicians no law opposition ye gbrogola no ba get government ko wo mo ga gbrogo. Ma ga gbe na mo. Ejui mi ju ejui ka mo ju opposition. Afia gbogbo yo mo lebre ejuta. People are not serious. Politician. My story of Gaga, ni kama jim magboko mi dak bana yiri do aba for 13,500 nurses. Gaka mi mega. It's not a must to thank you. If I work for you, you pay me, I get out with my money. I chop up. I will do more. You understand? Now the kama gali about delegation. But I where from all this kind of cheapness. You feel I'm not gonna. You dom. No, never careful me to go. We go see again. Because you work because you have to work. Nanka you mishaba na ba wona. Maybe abamanya ya malo. The paper go show you. You go see. So make no story about the beautiful thing is that government has specialized. I'm not excited by all this. The minister, make video chome. I may have the square. I can't do how you get better. Kwame Akando will be unemployed one day. So please, we thank government and Mako challenge. Let's take it. Move over I'm a varele laboni.
Bank, GCB bank, over branch to heal laboni.
Look, GCB bad co statement. I remember many of your branch of my job.
Oh,
video early. My video, my program. Majibe nya upload video. I think we should work around the video so that the video speaks to its to the issues. Ta majijigo mi video aluga dora ni na nyakbo. Aleke ngwajo. Mwenye bank tututu ngwajo lo. Ajol traffic or something like that. Yeah. So I think we want to look at it that way. Hey, ajol right here. So Joy cover here. Oh, what a bad news. Police will Ajogliomo Varo one touch on the spot. You let it come.
Stop. La ole gidi. Alo le see how that too.
I'm going to let you Rashida. I'm going to let you if you fire, I will fire you. One touch, the order, and that's so bad, but so good.
Because anyway, they are still suspects.
Senya, Accra descended into tactical chaos, says the 13th August 2026. Morning when coordinated police intervention dismantled a robbery syndicate targeting 3 major financial institutions in Laboni, leaving 2 suspects dead and 1 in custody. The operation executed with precision at approximately 10:45. Averted what authorities described as a synchronized assault on GCB Bank, Eco Bank, and Zenith Bank within the same enclave. Target Bank, Zenith kple Eco Bank, le Laboni, ou le Tourashi. Bobitova over your guy. Kai, one touch.
No head.
I just get you. I'm ni program yala attack versus Serena me. atem a donku kafla ku pataro kejo na mi ata toto so na mi ta na no na dondo afi na kpomi ke fiadem yala. The Ghana Police Service confirmed that intelligence led to the deployment of a rapid response team to Laboni after credible information indicated a gang was mobilizing to strike the trial of banks. And according to the Ghana Police Service, officers identified 2 vehicles stationed near the financial facilities before the suspects attempted to flee. According to the Ghana Police Service, officers identified 2 vehicles stationed near the financial facilities before the suspects attempted to flee. One vehicle sped off and was intercepted, resulting in the arrest of Augustine Ukechuku Mazi Ehibovia. Occupants of the second vehicle opened fire on pursuing officers, prompting a fatal exchange that claimed the lives of 2 suspects. Forensic recovery from the scene yielded substantial evidence. Authorities impounded the Toyota Highlander bearing registration number GS143818 and a Hyundai Tucson registered GS791517. A blow pistol was also retrieved and catalogued as exhibit material. Mazi remains in lawful custody and is assisting investigators as they unravel the broad architecture of the syndicate. Hey! Mazi, I don't know.
He's going to work today.
You sure?
Yeah. I mean, I want to say the Nigerians were like, hey, I wrote it, man. Life in prison.
The more government best story government tactically, with tactical operation. The trouble that will ministry plan about Fiafiaro Laboni Mema.
Oh, Belpe, Susuno, Echo Bank, Zenith Bank, GCB Bank. Ever Povito, Opovo, Overvuele, Eriame. That he also the regime. Mazi, I that for the Republic, Kagake, Opovito, Mena Medica Povanata, Okros, Yoli, Ame versus Echimegedi, O de two da. The police also that like Ocho Jehovah to that day on your bed, Ameveo. That feel like Mazi, La Ole Coco ide police station.
Now, you can put your boldness anchi. America Kafra, Nkoya Pomimila, unless Emiablem, Kakankoya Pomila, Ibo Nkwema. Yeko, Yama for Vomolo.
I'm a boo pet to my bank. Vimle see a Ghibli public waiting. Vohan, your name says, I'm a Yinuge, your chopin cocobe, who Ibutoy the day alone. Ghana to come and village check by them.
Wow. And you cry macramanya, Yakuhe Akban. And macramanya Yakuhe Akban. Me katutu. Okay, video do domta, me video recap boga in a week over Highlander. Is it Majimiak Puma we Zamole? Highlander, Magan Hove of Galo. In young Banto, Majimiakbo. Of Waja Jagafimiakbo of week Kazam Shafiaole. What?
Many of you put on your
Ajogli down.
Me to
Okay, that video banto program and a vuyo, a walika, a walkball, a vuyoka sample for the over syndicate. Never syndicate, if you have a gangi or bukangi. If you have a syndicate, onya, am for all cachachiama. Tamudo or Kumonia. These are syndicate at Joglio Bukangi. That will have Fugala and a bank on Matoya.
Over to say, Menu do a fico.
One touch, 200 loshi.
I don't know you the Kadeka.
Yama Lord do more.
Because Nicolekelo never fees any bank. He was to be in the Echo Bank about the GCB. Bank versus some blue alamwa. Alone, never one met to enter kofi yifi ojone yifi le koblache ne yifi sigbo obia
nyamanya ni ke mi popom ko nyama gba oba avuo za vo move egbera de avuo le heavy to I mean I'm surprised bebe fiafiota no fuma za yin gba to majima gbo to mia bio ke fifia onyoba na amotore mia cha vu ke kumo le poke mia la fi okay emakra ema ame owu a emoko o list sege ame moko ina mi lem put video ekpe bobito ti ko ina am vewu banto gere big pick up a bucket me vous makpo me pick up ma egbe if a bucket me am banto yi me vela gere me afi mazia ya oli alove ode gashini yenye. That's what we are seeing on our screens there. I want to say serious low. Over the Ghana Police Service confirmed that the intelligence led to the deployment of a rapid response team to Laboni after credible information indicated a gang was mobilizing to strike 3 banks. A gang so that's it. Look at my wafinyabe ame of Yafionia. Was over intelligence led information that Tofi a bank or police non afma number 1. Afi private security non afma number 2. Every bank, and these are heavy banks. Yes. When your bank say okay, amona no police na no call it private security halafuma. Ta oyo povito. So according to the Ghana Police Service, officers identified 2 vehicles stationed near the financial facilities before the suspects attempted to flee. 1 vehicle sped off and was intercepted. The kashi takolevwa over chongone, resulting in the arrest of Augustine Ukechukwu Mazi ta kwetsi Ukechukwu Mazi ya si joina maybe an of ma add to ya si joina overly. Occupants of the second vehicle opened fire and on pursuing officers, prompting a fatal exchange that claimed the lives of 2 suspects. Ta Mazi ya si joina oleya uchongonoli ya elakpa ye lakbefia akoma fa obe yo wofu over face. Forensic recovery from the scene yielded substantial evidence. Authorities impounded a Toyota Highlander. Toyota Highlander with registration number GS143418 and a Hyundai Tucson over heavy. I got a very good. Oh, Emma Kamode, a guy tell us you go high woman. Because a woman high woman, maybe a given a high woman, maybe 1,500.
Police going on a bank wedding. Only like a baby.
Bob Wada, me wajing, I like a 2 below. Those are the things we want to see. I like a 2 below the exchange that went to I like a waboreme. I like a Povito won't have a Charlie Amokele Padio promotion. IGP Aboko na makano.
Therefore, bank net to the bank money for like the 5 minutes. His security man even could lewe killer. At the end, maybe I'll jail. Maybe look at me for job. Oko park. Your environment is steady. That all if me petela security man allo police personnel here available. Ebe susule. Then no. Uka job me on me va park e voudrait faire me do cheva bank e vo me pobile ya erase alarm because ejole jin ko me ko university bank into me no hihie padi ke le vo vu na
picture mala fuma jijila mi de picture mala mi ji avua yo kole you see me mo kata mi ko na because me va le a very me va le materialistic world me ko ya go se me Be the picture I'm a cookie tell a TV ajeji. Midida. Now majiba myakbo naneda. Okay. Aleke materiality ega. A chondoro aleke kafla nemi de kutefo fuga. Aleka mo wona revuyon, aleke non vio sukubio fia so fia. Aleko wona de vuya onchi mama jimi akpama nyamanya na video belema but maybe amakuku a iko cover that bucket ma we take that off the screen. Okay. Ta nek pofu ema wonta gbabo do hido ha ihwa. Do ha avu fifie. Do ha mare pofu alo maga pofu yo ba corner me no ko operation. I'm not sure about that, but this kind of false representation, fake meow. You can't nek boba amavu kunko awo beke amama gato nyalo.
Buga ya no jono ridoro nya no nya kwesi gbo pele jijona ni mi ya dufude ta kole mi alere kole mi abule ko ncho ko kwa mi keve ku le fi mi keve ku.
Okay, police have responded and it's beautiful. Now ka mabialo ka onyoba etula me osi afi poviton va ko tula si kene de wo ta povitoji ha wo povitore. We have to say something about this current police service. Oh, no, Donajuko. Esenyagomi. Nedo jobber or a proper batch on a police station robbery at the old police lema or police are no cash van pongo. You mavana babako ganabana instruction, but na a guarabana a gakoga hegemonia bulletproof. Police service has done a great job, and I want to commend it. Ghana Police Service. Yeah, I want to commend the Ghana Police Service. Yafio, attention from me. All right, Nia Zorango. Okay, Nyavuava Robabli. Yama Vuel Zamole, Aleka Vuobo, Aleka Puvito Boji. And this thing really calls for a lot of introspection. Me damn anybody, not do that job. Highlander, man, that's the latest Highlander. I know why I wanted. But it will give me long cool of one thing. Not that of mafia. Legend left 450,000 in a 500,000. Now money I call you.
No, be smart.
If you mark Bomol, if you have 450,000 and 500,000, you can buy. Criminal enterprise. Criminal enterprise. And this is what happens when criminals are on TV as lawmakers, when criminals are on TV as ministers. Let your word. No, let your word appeal. I make a dog move a hogbelia, yalla police, prisons, a whole central pin. I go, Kumoton, with hard labor. Jilla play your far home, like bow. Oh, poor. Look at this criminals, go be Kumolana. I'm on the Kambuman. Eh, Ajila mia pa zoli bolo. I'm total like a new dog.
Who fisi be pokola flenwe. No to we wa donen me sevevo.
Charlie, with that man Ghana Police Service. This one the
Beno
police service jidu gara o iva. These 97 people like cha blema. My body.
So come here sebo ovala.
Number no impo code that enya number me no mo fia lo over na your number but 900 oh
911
911 na you call you baba ga nyama your number ma body but we fia le fia de anya ga amagbona ba body bede te fare na the video ma bede te fare ma the video as evidence mo gloma ma serious on set I'm about to feel moving kwa nyama wo video na bo video makwa nyama ka
you tell me me agulo na nu de jogo jebe me here for me let's call for help so me akofu
abe ma bere te fare de ba avu ami mele yo avu mo kono yin patrol ami melio ami mele avu mamo ta no matu ha fia mayo ejijakpa ta ma bere afiare na ma wo video abo Makwe the nearest police station as evidence. Even my brother from Magafimule.
For real.
Police are looking at them almost serious. Only if you feel like a wee woman. Tiff man. You feel like a wee woman. Nonsense, Coglono. Nonsense, Ecoglono. Me that man police. Police. Boldness is in here xenophobia. American kwaba ibon connect unless double me. And you see, you make what that police, Ghana Police Service or what that show looking more blow free or this is a Nigerian. We are not trying to be no hegemonistic or local You're not trying to be tribalistic. No, tribalistic will be within one nation. We are not trying to be ethnocentric alone, American or Magbogo. Don't use those words. Sociology, put that thing aside. Look at our mother to come. Yeah, she joined. Correct, sir. Now, we love Fiano, no, there's our Euro Tefia, DV plate. Hey, I can register DV. No, back to a quarter about okay, Mijibono for number, take my number. I beg you, take my number.
Never walk a boy. Have blood.
Na blood they buy the car. You go see way.
What if there is someone big behind this?
No, campaign. You got campaign so money. I don't have to do. And I go and say me, Yaka Coco, you got your do.
Not never ready to be a young head door you do that.
No, you more like the prison judge and the prison, and then you 1 week annual.
Not to prison.
No, you prison, you 1 week annual. And you prison for a prison chiller for the dollar, a senior high school batting. I tell you, I have a pavilion, I have a Hoshikama. Never lecture Majeton, Jaroka, Afojaroka, 3 in 1, WCR, Magbamelino. I could have it more than 16 or reservoir. Market out a channel now when that flash is you know, they that America and on Yado and our face north, America on your face south, America on your face east and west, I swear. Good lenses and Mercolo, Baba Mina Shamanchi. You go learn me more you get a car, Capia Pioca, more you get. Yapio, the father, I feel you marking Attorney General, watching. They are persecuting my people. But if ne a woman call it persecution, call it prosecution, you must be tried. Mama, the Attorney General, Western side, Mana don't send me. Milamo more. I'll name your arm if I your position. I'll let me more.
Ela me dizendo, ne wa donyo ko ask if that ke ne black video le nu e chele igbe. Esa wa mi ele ni na.
Chale gbevunyare eji cholo. Obe amaro le pobito hashima. Still in this tangent, amaro le sela. Do kwishimo ganke o gbevu alo ke do hima gbevu yo. Amano wo ocho area me. Over to Paris or the police of Washington.
Justice ke ho jibe police onu wana yo o mele po awon to ko se do ba
so boy justice apo ma ke make boy eh na very here apo ma ke banya mo statement mo or nem na get political science for textbook o mo fi make cho boy justice cho boy he yo ku divaro ko station record ko nya ko branch are kala ko vous te parler ko vous c'est là well the minister of
especially the ones that are there with hard labor. Orange uniform, blue uniform, so maybe
orange blue.
Orange blue.
No, I'm not over you. More prison adore.
That's a remand.
Me getting your mama, me send mama. So let's go to hoide.com first. Interim Minister orders probe into custody assault. Ministry of Interior has ordered a full investigation into how civilians gained access to an arrested person and allegedly assaulted the suspect while in police custody. If I'm a boy, a cell, a prison, a police cell, awaiting processing, either to court or final ruling or judgment. So the Ministry of Interior has condemned the assault of an arrested person in police custody and directed the Inspector General of Police to investigate both the circumstances surrounding the incident and the conduct of officers responsible for the suspect's protection. In a statement dated 13th, okay, let's go to the statement. Let's go to the source document. There is a statement from the Ministry of Interior to all media houses. Let's do justice to that one. Dated 13th August 2026. Interior Ministry condemns assault on police custody. The Ministry of Interior has taken note of the incident involving the assault of arrested person while in police custody. The ministry is particularly concerned that the incident follows statements attributed to persons on both sides of a religious dispute, including calls for violence against persons considered to have offended religious sensibilities. Now, the ministry is particularly concerned that the incident followed statements attributed to persons on both sides of a religious dispute, including calls for violence against persons considered to have offended religious sensibility. English article version. The kanya imam, the kanya sofu.
Okay.
Alabo for over ameno no biam. Kake minister per statement alo ministry per statement over religious divide. Kakaka most of the Christian economy. Now we go talk you through. All right, 3. The ministry unequivocally the ministry unequivocally check unequivocally bagomeri afi unequivocally so the ministry unequivocally condemns all such statements as there is no justification for inciting violence against Christians, Muslims, or any other person on the basis of religion. Equally, no allegation of breach of law, however serious, gives any person the right to assault a suspect in police custody. An arrested person is in custody of the state and is entitled to the protection of the law. The circumstances under which civilians gain access to the person in custody are therefore a matter of serious concern. Accordingly, the Minister of the Interior has directed the Inspector General of Police to 1. Investigate the circumstances under which civilians gain access to the arrested person and identify any police personnel who may have facilitated, permitted, or acquiesced to the breach of custody and take appropriate disciplinary action against any officer found. Ta agbala from Ministry of Interior. Muntaka. Mubarak Muhammad in the Minister of Interior. About Blombe. No, Minister of Interior. I'm not saying. Ebe igno gbana do the IGP. Enye tete yo honu. Be no gara nyama. Enyare jojom de Kristo tokle ala suboro dum. Nke nwa yo nwa mejo. Ola Makodare police cell, and I should think that should be the pastor. Yeko Amaro, I should think those are the Muslims. I should think so, but I will investigate that quickly and give it. But I should think so. Over police cell, over po padia. Minister of Interior will remedy. Ba American police yoke duty. Yoke o facilitate afembo o we now jo allow permit o remo acquire allow dashireji ni na mala police custody aje police na protect ama take immediate steps to identify and arrest and investigate the civilian persons involved in the assault in accordance with the law. Ame okova yokenye dokishi mo yokova fo ame ko lele professor bashima aje bo jamo agbara mo sesam na mula Okay, Miami Iji. Investigate the conduct of all supervising officers directly responsible for the custody and supervision of persons involved where found culpable. Take appropriate disciplinary actions. I like that one. I'm no color duty. Don't be interdicted by now. You understand the action. Hey, who is the officer on duty? Make a stand, chat, record all day, making a station officer, making a commander, making a counter G. I'm on my father on a counter Bogma, counter back, one touch. I'm more about the Pierre and Giapiano, James, a email you have time. All right. The minister further directs the police to deal with the persons, and on and on. Okay, the ministry's position is clear. Religious incitement, religious violence, and on are unacceptable. All right, so that's what we have. Okay, whether the regime unequivocally means clearly, firmly, and without any doubt or ambiguity. Unequivocally. Okay, what do you have there? Unequivocally. All right, so that's what we have there. The other one there.
Doing or saying something in a way that is totally clear, leaving no room for doubt, and having only one possible meaning.
Okay. Unequivocally. Okay, so that's we have to be sure about that. Okay, that's the right way, is that not?
Yes.
Okay. And all right. Nyazolengo.
Double track system.
Double track system, but you see, this issue has to be discussed. I have a video that Limiako support me. Can we get a video of this? Aleke assaulta yiji. Maybe we may come back to that, the political segment. Okay.
The
video aleke assaulta yiji, because video I don't do that. I'm over police station now, but maybe we'll come back to that. Okay. Okay, quickly.
Just scrubbing double track will get our results, Mahama.
Oh.
Oh. But then, is double track still in the system?
President John Dramani Mahama has announced a decisive policy shift to dismantle the double track calendar in senior high schools, arguing that restoring uninterrupted academic time is critical to reversing declining performance in West African senior high schools and grade examination. The pronouncement was made Thursday during his inaugural tour of the Upper East region, where education delivery dominated discussions. That the corporate Amos Sukuimle secondary school Ŋdi Green and Gold. Mama Taroma Ajabo you're scrappy. President says scrapping double track will better WASI results. Mahama de campaign on Nyaya na gbo be yo ba edon kujiba eike ono campaign on 2024. Mahama we will review. We will review the senior high school system. I don't think Nyama so big problem and campaign because MPP we shall cancel the free senior high school. Kaka Mahama be the review. Tasha in NDC Tova TV station play radio. Oh, over MPP Thomas Evubo. Mahama be we will review. We will review. MPP Toba we will cancel. Alabe nana dudanka kufado nana de kare ko wo. Ike benefit Ghanaians so katanye free senior high school. Oba Mahama be enaba gberugo amuka for grade 46. Over Kitasco. Ta fifia ajebe your review. Nyama 2024. And agaba nyama gom in another way in 2026. Ego in a in January, a woni agbabani ogele 120 days. And one of the things he could bring this free senior high school, the double track system will be scrapped. Yeah, balaba scrapped, but balama everybody new will be cancelled in the first year. If you have a man, like if you got your business. But I beg. Padiaglo 2024 it shall be reviewed. You be cancel. Yo, you give out the government by the end of the first year in office la. Your cancel double track system. First year. 5th year when you the second year, me scrapping double track will better wasi results. Jamino ya tepatonlo. Me at the top row, go and check. Because I was hosting shows. I have been hosting shows all that time. Never find this talk when I'm gonna call down the studio. NDC Tona Jew, and people almost say review your struggle. That by the end of the first year, and we are seeing talk is cheap. Talk. Charlie, you know what talk. Talk. If you are way to better what's the result? Yama Bialo, let's leave Mahama, he's a politician. What's the result so they do Bablama? They secure the war. As I'm over a woman.
Yeah, rewriting.
Me, Yaman, already. What's the results? Hey, come on, the senior high school, a poya made results will do. A poya keva made. Ye over Sukumo Donio, ye bro. That double track Alina, Alabama, Pumonum. Or a man who phone liner, car, I'm college or cover. You view the Via over at Majimotonia. Oh, school, Costa Madden. These are the things we had. You see, so as a journalist, I can put all these things together. Let me put phone liner. Double tracker, resource, that is not in dispute. But the pledge he is making, even after becoming president, you must balance now. I want to be a Yametonamo, as a Mametonamo, like I don't get it. Now, so when are we going to scrap it? Then when a journalist and I go give you micro. Okay, the Coca-Cola, when are we going to scrap it?
Very
simple. Mama, for Harry Naidusu, but me, I can assure you, Harry Naidusu is a finer politician. Quote me. Not put microphone in Harry Naidusu. If you have Honorable Harry Naidusu, the Coca-Cola Globe, you're gonna double track. Time you got go for 2027. No,
28.
No, 29. If you have a name, you voting boy. As a game ago, 27 years next year, many more. Let me vote
2018 vote.
Let me 2028 vote for the car in 2029. Maybe a minister of education. I mean, it's a fine. Never had to put one area. You know the good job.
Indirectly telling you to vote for them again. So that
if you have no garbage, you're maybe a very cat area, but over who Molio. Why will never ask grab near school and any that? Because by you, you cover your home call your we're not blow me that sinking your cake, that will free snacks with the Padia for cooking. Even after double track, if you have a Sukuyo or Skuvam, in deep school, Charlie, the corner decks at Talo. I'm young, the desk cover. I cover school and never job for the Ghana. Nako decks I cover school. Let me ma. I got for a capable Damashan clothes. I did talk market over. Thank you. I feel like you put anema. I'm over 90 petro. Ta double tracker. Love of Moncoin di petro. I have ever Sukuvia Ronavano for my SS Vianavano for Ronavai. Nimagbo. Nkaina. Nanado danko akufuado wuma. Ela ebe meshama yike qualify bene de square na ye free. Bukom banku. E have do
uniform.
Be ye na de play senior high school because now school is free. My father Mahama it make school free. Onya for first skit me call a Facebook and my mobile. If you are well free or more katava subo but even to even two tax system ya kra still suku homa nonyo be de kita school assistant headmaster ka gbon oh no fu pam yo lolo ne day students over pa board so ncha abai mas kwa pon because they tema ba trauma they oyopa na ma va e day students over the board so nwa uno na ivukaka ti yo class aro entrance kra school view no na da fuma yo mo pote feke yo to ate fa de li ke ye bachi gbegbon la yo va cho bachi gbegbon throw cover dormitory ta mi na te fa aisle ne never dormitory afi ke mi jona tonari fuma mi kona tranco code danari chobos room li ka tranco te fa do limit na tranco do fuma kata o choba o kodari even as we are practicing the double track still there's no space. So the question is, when are we going to cancel the double track system? That is when schools are available. That's when dormitories are available. That's when school blocks are all over. Big push ade suku kolema. Alomo amodumulakum. The Bright, a great owner. The Bright is the original communications director NDC. Maybe a question mark. The big push is essentially roads. Where are the classrooms? Okay, question anybody? Ni ake nanawo enwa. Amaru vunafuna ya moro how? Because over school free ake yoga ka more. Amaru be 10,000 yo he because emi yo plug na life kaka is west of amogbona nyawo facing us kunya akare awonkulo awonku voter region ke mahama nya khosi ko facing us ko topic ma bai topic one meton ike ko push MPP into opposition the car in a free senior high school the car in a national cathedral alama cathedral gbado ko ike pagabe tuge
ezudu
yenye babela etolanye LGBT magbazon izonzon nobe oto magbanu no ne bododo manu sem akanya mo kata mi da bronze all right, the report is ready on the free on the national cathedral
Ayin says cathedral
Ayini. Enkoje Akuritinga Ayini. Dominic Akuritinga Ayini. My American on you don't say Ayini. Look at you here, Ayini. Look at you here, Ayini.
Ayini says Cathedral Fund should have built Agenda 111 hospital.
Americano co-host. All right, interesting.
Ayini says Cathedral Fund should have built Agenda 111 hospitals.
Ayini pun shole Jogbaji. Guy ko cho kore do globo mama ba yo church ko tuna mauga gamata tu konjioma atawu konjioma blaton chi agenda wan konjima nya konjaro ke nana do dan kwakufu ado de tutuma patapata ke corona ba adon ku ya ni ba fi agbasuke ba no scientific analysis arom manya corona taiwa agenda wa wanturu akanyi gbomla as a journalist nyambere on record covid vari ye maba konem mi atu konji the talent apa you feel like konji akpe enya be news areva last week raba mova the AC le agenda 111 hospital at the kama yo la o esio le Adaklu stadium road darangba jipi executive chairs o yo ke nana do dankwa kufuado va plenty mo no jia ro la mafia agbled so la kuma agbled yo vo pro da dio ko ramona jipe mo ele fifi la na mi agana dara gake mahamava nchobe egbo na stadium ale toba mafia ri ahweto e gonna raise girl oazu no computer can
something patak echifimire medalezon
konyo tu patak material sa nya payo aluko body oko the days stage afia kama gauna na upetama boro du dumra riveting machine rivet machine ko katakpa je plingo ko kre aluko board alu board de achinchia ododo kakam dala ba nyama na jogging ka ka ba go na jogging na pata jogging ko no wa Saturday mi ona jogging nana adodanko akufo adoko konjio yoko beje tutwa ochi gbatome ye oje esi ofifi do me eyo lamo na e ma sememi la eyo ko mo na lamo na ma gbogbo aluko board gegem amo aluko board ma chom wa to ki also support me la gba to ma fun gate ato mu jan gbro
ele buda
main gate oba yeah obo ya no ya should think so small gate amu akpan ha west gate ha mu gbro ela ngbara se fifia
vile momento kran
pipe de dem ye hypocrite alo le huofia obo demonstration be Archibald lecture Dr. Archibald lecture former regional minister na wu stadium man in 10 days youth resources na wu no renovation in 10 days mama yon talk ha Bopuku mama yon talk about you know mind if you are government ro e mama va group mama demonstration ba tu la hwen very well. INE says cathedral funds should have built 111 hospitals. Agenda 11. Attorney General and Minister of Justice, Dr. Dominic Ayine, has launched a blistering critique of the National Cathedral project, asserting that public funds expended on it could have been redirected to complete several stalled hospitals under the government's Agenda 111 initiative. The remarks were delivered during the district launch of the free primary health care program in Bonga East constituency as part of President John Dramani Mahamad's researching Ghana tour in the Upper East. Hey, if you're Mahamad of man, I know one that paper go Mahamad kple news or zomba. Esegoma. You're Mahamad of man, you're any glonya.
Program ke he Mahamad la wa ko blow scrubbing the good like
oh, nyame kona. Okay, ta Mahama resetting Ghana to. Ebe yo gbogbo gado atun. Ta Mahama pum la fuma. Ya me hawa po. Campaign o mo la. Ese nyago ma nya ogbo mi la. Yi ma ba yi mi se nya ogbo. That's what I'm saying. Nya we resetting Ghana to campaign o nya. Anyway, the PwC report on the National Cathedral was presented to me last Friday. The money spent on the National Cathedral, I'm quoting Ayeni. I'm quoting Ayeni. The PwC, PwC, Pricewaterhouse alone, auditing firm. The PwC report on the National Cathedral was presented to me on last Friday. The money spent on the National Cathedral from that report could have been used to complete some Agenda 111 hospitals. Dr. Ayeni said, all right, okay. PricewaterhouseCoopers. Dr. Ayeni said he further questioned the procurement and execution modalities of the religious edifice, adding a moral dimension to his fiscal argument. And I'm quoting for the last time. You don't build a house of God in the manner in which they went about it. You don't build a house of God in the manner they went about it. That's going to be a big conversation. Ali kan coba buat bayar organ fogani miliki bla eto. Alawe nya ajro nya yaome. That's a big political story for today. I will corner him on this matters. Attorney General's comments inject fresh impetus into the national conversation on transparency, accountability, and ethical stewardship of public funds. With the PwC report now in official custody, pressure is mounting for its full publication and for consequential action. The government faces growing calls to reconcile symbolic projects with tangible service delivery imperatives, particularly in health, where infrastructure deficits directly affect mortality and access. Ayeni, Fifiade, Ayeni, Mira Kuku. Price Waterhouse Coopers, you can hear a conta majula or gown, the motor Kalihatan, you go follow Jelagana, you go to Cathedral, Mary. Reporter out here, Gombe, me, Dwajabe, Ako reporter, me to a PDF that I am Yako. Hello? Me got reporter, no, Paris or I don't know, reporter, few, they'll take Kovazana. Where could you? Professor Frimpong want to report a real guarantee, Chogala Sensi, Conan and Arudanka. Report what by a local man, Nana Rudanka, who look at a drama. Well, make I think, eh? I bet no Kalasina, a patching here, no coming.
African
Okay, 5 minutes. Africa Today. Just a quick one.
We are resetting people's lives, not just the economy. Bibiani MCE.
Bibiani. Madam Mayibumapo. MC Arema, you'll be on my over your mopa go mania gara Bibiani MC. Padi over Galase Kuntanoni, government to Medovisigo. What? Go ahead, and next one.
He is the man we want. Eastern Region NDC grassroots declare support for David Dakuji's chairmanship.
How about Dakuji? Wait. Next page, next.
Deputy Land Minister inaugurates 3-phase committee. Construction for final stage.
Inaugurates phase 3 committee. Phase 3 by 3 phase.
Phase 3 committee, sorry. Construction for final 69 households to begin in September.
Okay.
80 persons with disability receive support from the Biani Assembly. MP cautions beneficiaries to protect items.
Bibiani Assembly. Bibiani MC I already have original minister. Assembly got on here, 5% of the district assembly common fund is allocated to people living with disability. That Gashaga Kevin Assembly. Okonaton, le mama alofare kama chakwa na ramangu. Nkuno, tekuno, bafao. Okay.
Togbi Wogbeji.
Togbi Wogbeji a black one. Wogbeji. People are serious only. Nene even guy name man nene mo your name like no kufuna like voter stuff for instance no kufuna ye am look to Togodo beto am look Ghana yo come ever that again no ali yo na okuje to yenki
Togbi Wogbeji a black one donates 3,000 furniture at Mepe 70th Afenoto Festival.
Afenoto abidwa agbale agale Campaign allergy okuje to all the way okuje to one of the oboga do organ 70 that's I don't care.
And 3,000 furniture.
Next view.
TCDA leads Ghana's 100,000 hectare oil palm push.
Driving value and inclusion. tema TCD development tema developing association development association I've been trying the break I will last week mother way but not plenty man in a top up with never well Gamasubanyako but I should have covered or job like ma photo tutorial na meiva yazango Tony McBoy kple Prisla yemia kolomika kasumia pa TV au 0242670777 chenya number nya katagba mira ataroda na mifa na mi glo na ma glo yo ba chenya atemi fa mi o shala for free no message shall be gagged. Let's go for a break.
No silence ever English dictionary ya paper but see dictionary ka so afi e passe K. No silence ever English dictionary standard ton standard yeah and you know the basic level and you know American SHS and you know American university allow language English dictionary and you know I'm a stomach and never the mojo rapport and be a strong baha no silence ever English dictionary and you know mama yala dile ko so madana na kula atia place order le Amazon allo number can follow screen Nigeria open to me to the can na WhatsApp afisi african la ya call no silence ever English dictionary akwa koveno no silence ever English dictionary and you talk
to ship products from Germany to Ghana. Ŋdi Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Ŋdi Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Red Stitches. Afi enye nyongo kple ntuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sport wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobi na junction na de Frajet Hotel gbo tututututu afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Go. Oh, what the? Let go, Joy.
Oh, baby, ma. If I don't quit, let go. Keke to Boye. Tanya too much ready toy. When you warm killer.
Oh.
Never for fun. Never got too much to move. I'm not go.
That another Abraham if you better kind of lay a party to Boye. But the husband that did not know fear. Coco in a dinner for Garawunya, Yapon or Passy Brandy who went from Yan Kurama. Well, a Passy Coco for Yakokatara Gay.
Well, when not Chico,
vai batakalo sugo itamika dada sikremontonto vola patika wa busielo wetofira
me yire vola to gbo ye me no chika ko me kpong jeje
vola chika no no ple na zama fiva na kama furaga nawo mashama na zin
miaƒe dzodowowo le dzodofita itanye zã vola chika mia dometɔ ɖewo hã woze vola chika ƒoƒo dzizi le eme.
This vola pikin. Vola baby.
Mauna yire vola to ona wala masa.
Vola pachika la chike dzraƒewo katã alo geɖewo ƒe dɔyɔƒea me le akplawu wodze ŋgɔ St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church tututu le xɔa akpɔ le old fashion le aƒoe ke le xɔƒoea geɖewo dzi le agɔdome Yellow House Street wodze ŋgɔ local rice dzrala tututu woƒe dɔwɔƒewo le ʋuʋuɖigbawo tso gbe tso ŋdi ga adre kple afa va de asi na fie ga atɔ̃ ke le memlidagbewoa wodze adɔ gɔme ŋdi ga adre kple afa va de asi na ŋdɔ ga 12 ƒoka na vola le 0244 512 1450.
vola
Nina ne miayi vola eva senta afima mia pota yo la nyadeba vola e fiva lo aklori le fuda now alele le fuda now domaru le fuda now e ti de padaka o futo makata mele to woni de wa e ti maklo no ba na ile vola eva senta ikele jengo applaud Victoria Park afima na kodo wotu akame wa futo wo fukame fukame tutu dokata vola heba center Dr. Prosper Debeneva akodo come on vola
Kadon kwajiba vola pachika monyuna funo nyonu yo no na ma vi kple de fi o mo hopo wie vao
Nane mano monsieur Eye na menzwale De kona kwanya mola Menye de me fion yo Ayaye pomlo Ayaye pomlo De kona kwanya moda Menye de me chio Ayaye womlo Ayakwe womlo Amenda evi Metena holon ode Amenda evi Metena holon ode amesie eye na mezuale amemano amesie eye na mezuale Mefion yo ayaye bomlo
les lawyers là on avait à quel
me présente si d'abord ah
ayaye bomlo
yo mi afan pola akpana mi be mi le de ka mo pakna mi le ben gba TV pe Ŋdi Wɔna ji to ni magbo mi aflo ko e de dunya he paji akpa ke mi pona nka yo nya dunya yo kele na to gba na gadra nyo fo ta o de ke ni ga tro bi kona ta nya ka baro ko da na ri jona ke mi kele mi agbo gba nye bi ko ko nya gbo mu le be e yo to apopo suku de de Ŋdi ple troma abale ke Nafasi secondary school bio yina marona no kuma rona ipleto na go suku de pa machongo yitin do ko machongo a nyo wocha na manya ga ele nyagbo akuru jinga yen yikenye jibu fa senyala ga ha ga gbore ebe ga gbogbo e ko kokore dome ba yo to ti hotuna mauga yikenye nane ke ijile na do dam kwa kufu ado faji dudu avriatea Gamin et gars qui m'attend encore tout conji bla attention le conji à le faire à le de quatre le que me sont ma hanya nyaraka onye dunya granyo que me dunya raka mi du fuga agara nya jo ban bubu aroma nya ko nya ka bomo le mi jibe ma jibe nya no to pomo nya nyi okaji afi nya baje anya mo jojo ke nya ko to ke kala bonya gba nya honorable elikem chomobo amaga reason yo all right madakbe na nyapo huchichi na machia ntome for South Bahama yila honorable Richmond don kofi poto to be agba premier chief player ega nyame katabe South Bahama ke ni po mi apa maga lo me kan ngora mi ofo for the royal be mi ajamnya the money that's advertised all right crazy
Hey, Ghanaian Times. Ofanko crash claims 11 lives, injuries 13. Road indiscipline blamed. 82,500 Ghanaians use hard drugs. NHIA released 35.1 million Ghana cedis for free primary healthcare services. Stakeholders push for fair, sustainable public sector pay system. Vacate or face eviction. Ministers give power line encroaches 1 month notice. That's for.
All right, Ghanaian Times. All right, Nikoma, everyone know TV Ajiba this time. Ghanaian Times Blonyaro, you can make honorable na chura kare no punto. Nti over Ofanko crash of Ware Jani le Ofanko accident are jolo Ofanko a choy kebai monobobo a cho abe yinaga wirekeina monobobo kra amoku nyam ko hukuku manu sem yina Ofanko crash claims 11 lives in just 13 road indiscipline blamed. Okay, ble eto mula kumaza honorable.
Yes, so Atumaje ko amedo bene Ewenyigba TV kola kata be ndisi anja ko fe mo dare Ewenyigba TV be yo akpo mu ya senya deto medo bene mi afa ndisi reps weche e chokida ya nyemi afa ho central constituency communication officer bebebe da be wish happy birthday
Agama.
Yes, ma onene agbedidi wa iji ya no party efe do na bele ko le onene ape eke ma chole ma yanyo fan koto because ya e wonu blani I want to plan it because email expecting there at this era play stage ya year. Me can no accident to avoidable, play preventable ones well. Me can no witness it. And then especially there for pharmacy baby, I'm much for in a door where I'm yeah. Ko wa just be because of I'm not recklessness la. Na no kuma do baba ne o me to kata me sia me ebu efa me devi pele Ghana top ete. The show be accident e vale gboso apa ta aje be road safety a commission no jabagba no wo e do le cho nu ya be ni a reduce. E do le ya wa no go mele avoidable because ne time back play break o fail free to wa e do wa no go ga ke
ha la avoidable na ku bagba za me ku tasio gbere tasio logo 50 years tire is not avoidable.
Only maybe break failure che do ya ku
bando monyo
ejo pata
gbere go
be ka chu le te e do ya ni awon ke bi de ga
ro we ku fail break sibe e banquet ya ka wu hairdressing student ma ike government lo jidudu famwe ko ko de do ku si mo si bono hewo o do matore kama ku
but to top it.
So
some of these things, but at the end of the day, this real fanko toyala. If you have a sprinter bus, yellow speeding, you cost not because he track I for out for the police will about direct to stop that. At least what Nabeya Mato, cause speed car could crash them, and we are more just like that. And because for the sequence of events were. Track a lot aboboya ami eku elangba ya police officer eba do senior ache park ebehu ya le traffic direct ya le traffic director track dem boy epo ya auto ta sprinter ya he bola menya be speed jo la lo e attention mele momo alo ne mele nu po ko ya ba hit eme and wa po be speed e center la bo enmi e kaka akpo be speed jo le sasam. That much of it probably I make cover because over not light menu visibility at the poor because over traffic lights over the door. No, sorry, street lights over the door. That not visibility. I can't at least rate my head mark a color. That be speed is back. On that, why so much speed? Like bomb, give me as you banana cross wallow like a hour.
Mpola ofankola to achimota. Yina de pokwase.
Yeah.
Jika baru na afia do pokwa senyo fanko e ro tuta kuma witu e mo vale yeye
ta speed vale
second Dubai o ye o tu de dara kuma to
ta speed la reversible is very sad the why you see be election be hold jole kwa je me declare state of mourning because any borrow your rent na because is I'm over breadwinner we ma yes I'm over breadwinner we ma just like that and LG consistently. I'm never road safety boss. Abraham Malibabi Nejagba. No one dollar reduce a candidate very play discipline Moja Esubapa. And then tied to the story over about a number of Ghana told us no hard drugs which yes, driver check ole toffee Pluto ebe o na yo fe na ko no make down no for na yo for kaba na yo fe na ko Pluto and no
any we talk
about kake melese no pa mo even some teachers who cry olezan so melese back because be teacher cry le nu ma san pe now drivers o Pluto ano nu lo Pluto wela is anabe the kaka wa pop mala no even ko ta speed echo no, I think the testing play ma no is way becoming too much. AKI is unavoidable. Major job you. Kake ever is it. Let's sit up as a country. Let's sit up and make sure we do the right thing.
Okay, but let's sit up as a country and do the right things. Me as well go paper who
The metro lanes. NHIA's big push. 80% NHIS coverage by December. Rolls out 50% tariff increase. Stop public trial, Kingsley Ajiman. Lawyers tell Sabazita. Sabazita. 3 banks in the crosshairs. Police shoots 2, arrest 1.
Alright, the paper came on.
The Metro Lens.
Honorable, as a job, paper go lumber, Choabago, Minity Blackton, Minity Black, the water. Paris are over of Shafio, you have to blow, look for a shiver or a bank or motor. Eco Bank, Zenith Bank, GCB. About Yema, Malafma, Metro Lens. Enyanyara California, after over NHIS big push, 80% NHIS coverage by December rolls out 50% tariff increase. Oh, me and my victim, Domaga, NHIS, Jibuko Dope Mona, Kondi for my hip of Gomba, Kapi, a Payana Uma, Amani, Lamawoshe, a woman, Garakatago would do, a hog balanci. Mariano Sikbono, Conjin for my head. Go, Global Gaka, Berman, Gavivio Milk, Ono, Kada Onami, Kadanano by HGO, Yoda Lagregi 50%. Mine N card levy, NHIS, N card levy. All right, Kingsley Ajiman, and your Sanyala. Ever gonna Sabazita, Mijujo, Choboy, justice. Number hey, ko. Eko ma lege ko bo. Uba we ho ebe chafi julo ko pipe ofiko. Nana totere gana. Joy kaba ya ni sebe so for le bobito ho ko tega ke Paris aro va kakatefa tutu bobito klara ni ho fute fa twinyo fa. Agbara ka ni. Ona bo chura kare ko.
Yo, enya edefu.
Eka edefu.
Gake no ko enya to so baba. Eke hele enye pay interest by the scholarship though.
Scholarship la ma.
Yeah, about Sabazita pay enya because
top public trial Kingsley Ajiman lawyer tell Sabazita. Tayi me scholarship. Ebe scholarship la magbe.
Yes, they are related. Yeah, not a member because the Kingsley Ajiman scholarship secretariat boss.
Okay.
So and ever end the many say the scholarship or where okay. Nehe I'm here with scholarship. Neho yina kola FVOPT akpledo and neho kpledo any amount ya beneficiary le kokola FVOPT wakwe. For example, on a scholarship Dr. Okoboy anywhere election vote. Between January time awekola after election January December January on a scholarship and on a scholarship la yan top every daily stipend no night about 1,120 pounds and then if you all left for do if you have your chela same amount meanwhile scholarship look early so at the end of the day no how possible be another with scholarship and if you open one of the same stipend for every month kaka scholarship awunu me like to call dream at the end of the day na me ma over study for chala o me no be no gboni over self Ghana so we are me like gble defima ta zipa ezita complain about the scholarship boss chala be no stop the media trial but I think it's fine any discussion could let me discuss it okay I'm a scholarship dey epe am nene akpledo play the Michael open trip play my flight play my pay fund there because Ghana mi be gamelio mi le complain mi be gamelio and next 4 years America scholarship mi le ga which the scholarship amount if you open to le for the 4 years the nene America ma heza and ni for the total number of America beneficiaries whether LME are drain at the end of the day government method all reimburse or method got disburse now because it's very outrageous. The meaning of okay, Gameliwa. No, but at the end of the day, I'm there was scholarship. Even scholarship, you pay one now scholarship, even US, those big schools where one now scholarship alone, the cost can open board. Cost a day.
Oh, is it that Marakuku, Moya told them back, but to Marakuku. See, Nana Gavachaka. After the mic camera,
Akwa scholarship ede dapo award akwa scholarship na in school ke body le ke wa benefit o petu ko course ya e bia wade o maton we le Ghana wa amere bia US ya be bia of course be accounting meanwhile we have a school gbogbo le Ghana wa accounting ta look at me approve scholarship na me ma be ne never wa accounting alone never finance
me politician fa finwo na o ko bo ya doctor nta o so go ga na bo ye the school ka medical doctor Dr. Okobo, a former deputy minister of health, Mema. Nka scholarship, nka scholarship. The scholarship should go to needy but brilliant students. What was the doctor government job in Amapoga? I mean,
scholarship. And so at the end of the day, you have to cover interest. You have to pay interest. So whatever happens, it doesn't. So what? Oh, scholarship. And we have brilliant but needy. Even if a constituency only. So at the end of the day, now we have the interest of the constituency at heart. Yeah, no vote now. Yeah, the view the school for hector with a scholarship for let you do me why gamala oh okay if a post the idea or no yeah and most are doing it. At the end of the day, we have to call dream. Then we are feeling pity now. No, we can't be doing that.
Suku de dari. Nya na glo nyama sanyi mabutu na nyata mi ba gre mo funaka. Onyaba na ko nya dare ya ma hota. Nyama kpole ke to na post class if you na kwa for nya nya ka. Nya no. I don't want to use that word kaka. You see, Dana Fogmofia, you don't have the right word to describe him. For doctor, medical doctor, GMed. If you na Yehude, you review I come here me for some day.
So a quick one on the health insurance one. Because N-card, and for me, it's a good one. Because yes, definitely all the door I did. I know who can do more funding, then you are expanding. You pay because you make benefit better more. Because some few weeks back in the bank, the car health insurance, let's see, the car let's you. No henia. Koba kululu henia. Niku eva Trafalgar. Eki insurance lesia. Oh henia ne. Ime he ega deko.
Takada lo tojo.
Oh la sini.
Nya to la sini bo mo do je mo hu ni cho mo ba ya we to ya efia.
Efia eke heme eke card melesiwa. Nikla about 2,500. Yes, a card melesiu. That for me, ne card over 100 cedis in your card. Allo 80 cedis. Because currently I bet is about 20 cedis.
20. Akubo dareji.
I know where who you 40. It's not good because me back had 2,500. Okay, so for me, I think it's just very unsustained scheme. The one no job, the one no loan for the Akoba no ya or Akaba to Daremi aju.
For me. Kami dareji, me dareji. Daily guide.
Apply same rules for Galamsey big mines. Retired miner.
Apply same rules for Galamsey.
Big mines.
Big mines. Retired miner. Okay, all right. Makape pichama. Emmanuel Amakofi Boye, Minister for Lands. Okay, natural resources. Okay. Amos lease revocation for Nyanya. All right, other ones quickly.
2 killed. Nigerian arrested in failed bank robbery. Government, 3 others signed MOU to secure 30% large-scale gold output.
Ghana. Over Galamsey, over Ligamani, Lisa Legi, or Lisa Namamaro, or more signing. Government, 3 others signed memorandum of understanding to secure 30% large-scale gold output. Different scale, legal, any illegal, any crata. Difference. Ben a woman, and what do we Won to me be wo toto ke le liga pe liga do ma ha. Ta iliga pe liga pe pa kwe. Won to me be amalo. Cause over sikara anigba to mo la. Takobe de o ni nyeme glanacho. Nyonya we 12 dead, 22 injured in Ofanko Barrier Road crash. Okay, eka gala fuma.
MPP NAT executive election nomination open 50K for chairman position.
Yema MPP to national executive obo afi na mazu jimenola nyenye nunola ne party a 50,000 choga pia khom nko ngogba ne afi na ngolo gba ne na yin go say me atore ni.
Oh,
Maru nya ya. 50K.
Ewe galosidi.
Aja. Tell me about it, show. Me sorry odo, me sorry charge me apoga. Horticulture Expo 2026 to redefine trade green jobs. Over if you are Anigba, Agbele de Unpo for Ashichacha for Wɔna de elegy or charge them Yamaka but the Lamio Kata me bought me a fact but the Unpo me chow Yachowako Amaro wo oto mango chow akpono mango pono everybody. Honorable.
Yes, sir.
Kora kape kona ponchonchi.
Yo, akbe. Yes, ma polucho mepo MPP to be over 50K. 50,000. Aside the 50K, I'm actually a contest. Ya ko beat and jefe ni ya vide menon bread belon be Sicilia eko po dollar dapa. Actually a contest
as a chairman,
vice chairman.
Ni Ahiyagba be ayi the vice chairman.
Cecilia dapa enyao subo. I tell you, there's anything the conscience within the crowd.
Nkashes want to make as chairman klede. Want to make as chairman. Mebe onya nke ka o okike ka o. So mi ba mo galase ma be mo galase o. Cecilia dapa be figa be mefio. Eto wo ga eto dare
the public ni ahile mkrachala.
Amare to ga o to dare phone hotel
so I told Bene here feel at the end of the day if you have that we are make a live. So yeah, whatever happens, scratchela still everybody ejebeni aba near context. Which I feel is very bad. Which I feel is very bad. It's just that maybe 50 kilo come galosi. Maybe opo access and opo gale.
Donya we feel no way 500,000.
Maybe opo gale. And now the party actually
America taga no go
check up. Opposition for me football. It's a good one they can pay the galosi. So there's no
you're the Ghanaian publisher. Me is Zoren go back with the Ghanaian publisher. Nya kata majuro mila nya tada mwa jiroma 0242670773 your number ikeza give me ala kodo achepa claim 0242670773 nya ka gala fuma. Ogasheke hore. Okay, kemia ingovi. Nature because
retired minor questions calls to protect Amos. Coker's big vow. I will deliver Asante for MPP. Asafwa, Sports Ministry, clash over Queen's Pedium Glasgow 2026.
Okay. Asafwa, Sports Ministry clash over Queen's Pedium Glasgow 2026. Okay. Koka be no chance you want to la Ashanti to bayana MPP na do la Ashanti mama nyanya dwemo. All right, retired man na mekpomi. All right, then you new center quickly. New center, Goldfields pays 2.9 billion to government in 2026. First half. Tongue twister. Goldfields pays. Goldfields pays.
Goldfields pays.
Goldfields space.
Okay.
What I want to tell you?
Yeah, sure.
No,
oh, Goldfields space.
All right, I'm gonna follow. Goldfields space. GoPro pays 2.9 billion to government in 2026 first half. Vigilante justice at police headquarters. IGP police under fire over civilian slapping suspect. Yeah, ma. Over the question, my wife she told Amare Kola called that COVID to Kokote. Oh, yeah, to me. Imagine, I share my jam here to with the backslap. Backslap. Honorable.
Towards the offense. So for me, I think that it's very bad and sad. The civilian, I don't get the
civilian, the question, man. I'm a man of
go in the old land, go church, go. About
Ayato,
but then a quick one at the time, we're looking at patterns. This eventual, over there was a shooting around GCB over there. I'm Robert. There were around.
Me that shot, Mama, but me am I vaga? I say I vaga pa.
Oh, okay. Okay. So for me, no come my edge, but me show the police stations as cameras only, and definitely what get a me out here on ma, and the whole level it's in a because it's a demo.
Lola.
Then I get a police miracle as it to me no how after was overlocked the patch I don't like it. Okay, so for me, I think it's bad. I see any ploy. That's what I can do.
Okay, me Zorango, me put delegistalo. Okay, then from alright.
OSP helps FBI nail ex-store boss in $1 million bribery case. Stop hiding insults behind democracy. Napo tells Ghanaians. Galamsey West off under Mahama. Upper East Airport construction to begin by the end of 2026. Mahama.
Oh, Upper East.
Upper East Airport construction to begin by.
Boga Tanga side, Malo.
Yeah.
Boga side. Mama be na yamu to gra Upper East. Boga Antome. Abana kuya magwajo na ide Tamale in northern region. Afinaga abu zone zoga cho Tamale by the Boga Tanga 2 hours 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Ta mama jojina yamu kulao. Ekwa Mahama kple ekwa brother kple to amokashi amugula. You would have one direct.
Yeah.
Perekun residents protest against Galamsey. Police for Laboni bank robbery killed 2.
Okay, Yema, the honorable Mitchell paper.
Alright, so for me, a good one in the airport. Airporter, at least that interconnectivity play connecting flight to. I think that it's very important, especially
though here now.
No, here because they
Bolga Tangade moto goes and a moto plagas and the Bogapo.
Oh yes, the Boga for
I never moto.
Oh yeah, but not
even no, my boy, migration studies from social studies are over Momo, Ukata over again, Pajak. You know, I would have made a many Amuaru. Hey, Yamobuya, Japria Malekra, Yamubu Nini, or share account. Politicians will retain as much together. Big business will have more. A day I'm back to the Trump here. How? Maybe you all go to school, you all go to me, you all go to me. At Tezaya, Mamiga.
I come a porter. Nabe a Yahoo to the Boga. No, netball from Boga cover Kumasi. Pull Boga cover Accra. Especially to Boga Accra. Nejamo Majila about 8-9 hours. Yeah. Now we have business men all the area moment. I'm all the politicians only. Like the last time because of Nyanuka, I made a ticket to Tamale for a family of about 10. You have funeral because I'm over already ready. A queue has only 8 hours, 9 hours. You have one hour.
So JJ, a Pobana Yamobu Jeffel Tamale, to Tamalia, I can't move by the area, mamma. I said, because Kuki Karazola, again the day Kumasi almost 4 hours. I said, I think I got to Kumasi, I think I do Tamalia. It's also another 4 hours. Second, Yakuabu 38 minutes, 42 minutes, and about Tamale. I got of my look at Domono, big push.
So the same flight today. I thought passenger flight to you. That Obado Tamale. No, damn you over. Let's continue.
Amao, Agbawo, my passenger, the book and you're
the thing is, at least, everybody a hold a looking at a hold like at the end of the day, a decision you have, I love you flight, I know any I won't care. What's a spraboki? I mean, Zona Moya, Ivana Bogade, Leko Cole, who analysis Mapia and looking at times the distance actually a whole year over for the whole year. I think it's where me and me the ticket sales split already. At that time it was for 249.
Yeah, but my book the car go back cancel when you support me right
because flight about my 10. That could be about meanwhile, because at that time, I don't hold to Accra was around 35 something. 249. I'm over to do. So what I do? So time I did. I believe government is able because government actually make sure when you open up the region. It depends. Me a do me view the alot me a make it all working more.
But la kuma wodoga.
I tell me lemede me a pete me lemede.
Me gato gbadudu. Bibi sese ega. Fo kenje wo alo kenje chocho agaba do ya mu wura gba mafuma. Kan mi le sen ko ba mu takaba. Dem le se ko ba ma ba aba jere gba ma. Me me more ready. One before two last scale of preference. Gamele me asio. Kanem be o ma de wo mi kan hia.
Ya glomele bedi.
Jamobu jabele tamale.
Benye bedi minister o de deku. O to ne Ghana top te ni aho top level ta te mi neme. Amere checho ayo to hoko do idi ya krata. Ni a book flight ta ya go wa to hoko aba ko flight
ado to hoko aba 2 hours.
Kimecho flight because no poncho hoko ya krata. So many hours.
Ya magula kuma ni afami abu boga.
Aba mi apete mi nyanu kele ji fi ede be for one hour e wo to mele do. The plane ma
go to mo ya magudo ma be enya no be 3 forest regions. China can have 10 regions. E can na number we 16 no. Enya be 3 forest regions in northern, upper east and upper west. Ye magbogbo be by proper national planning de woko airport ko da de tamale never do tamale ko de zofo na yire o ko fo me fifie ne ba ko ya mugu ko na the burger side ke wa side de upper east
ekobedi na be hu to de nya be aflaule and aflaula amode na togo isi ai ba ko
aflawu nya aflawu
okay aflawu
Ewenyigba TV enya
aflawu
nya America e show
aflawu nya ba okay regional capital nya ho na he amodo overdo flight ever ho a quickly wa ko fukula o ya to fla na ko ta ya kami o won kire akebe challenge ke ele voter yen be de ni ape proximity ni ape tete gen wudi ya ko de fun me si bola mo adu ga ke vie ke mi tere gen ta mo ko be o
matado ka kere mo gen do me le mi ga dia ko voro apla umo ya bato nya magba fia de Maryland bato sokode ya 2 hours ko mi aro
aha ta mo ko yodo gen ta le yo aba kple e to ne sekumasi like accident e ku no le ta o che wa diga ba to be safe some ne kumasi ne do fly so 50 minutes de fuma ko be aba no overtaking ya boss security one le mule monjika ka fi aba do Accra la why ma do fly to adiga do for safety de ne ta ne ho ne mi te da bi de le gen onye be 5 hours 6 hours a boost
mi magbo mi be ya mabu japan tamale mi da sha me on cho poga no poga ni e
me developing
but me ho mi le middle belt e gale mi shiva domishi e ko e ho Cape Coast mi ha level me awon ya
problem be ni like mi infrastructure ya here ni we
okay
na bele ke ho fifi ke afede overle ko do flight or something training school allo repair aerodrome so definitely
aerodrome
yes.
Check me about
definitely ava ta ne ho je goma akwe ba self pepper
ba e gbo for na pa
ta me le sure be ta e ma me misplace priority de ke yo o here every region la no definitely the whole me flight or me plan that no and you be make an crowd me like developing me le better be me about swimming pool hey ma una make clear
me going your query. Okay, aerodrome. Okay, aerodrome. An aerodrome as an area in land or water, including buildings, equipment, that is used for the arrival, departure, and movement of aircraft. So aerodrome. Ta over hotel, mi ga over airport. E mahama baba yi Pauline Joari. Last one over December ma. Ebe you wo go bazo aerodrome. Aerodrome. British. Ta afia bala oh, honorable Mahonga AERODROM. Ta hotel bo mi be aerodrome. Yamu je prevision. Akoko ka amado ko be also pilot. I don't yeah.
Yes.
Okay, yamu after the how no ta den ama. Mi ga tesa ru mi apo. Fi ke mi ro na nya. E go la be go. E se go na de. Ala we ye nya chama na ta de. All right, the diligence.
Mahama is linked to ASKA bribery scandal.
Evoke. Mahama is linked to ASKA bribery scandal. Over gare ga $1 million mamba fiat made beku. Ma akanye former Kema oil refinery top mega hukwari. Over 1 million ko ma na mo over Mahama ha nya na chochi. MPP to block. Kingsley Ajima hits back at Ghana High Commissioner to UK over scholarship claims. Over scholarship nya emigbe hode. Okay, eka Kujo
tipped to sweep Asante Eastern MPP chairmanship votes.
Tauba the kajevoyo, the kanye Kujo. The kan konye Kwajo Boateng Ajima. Enye chairman Kujo over ejirugala Eastern region. Afi kweku apia. Odeni hu kweku apia ejirugala Ashanti to fear won't to me no filo. Okay.
Said in Atameklo cooling off at home.
Police killed 2 suspected bank robbers at Laboni. I got a fear. MP elects national officers October 3. All right, honorable. I can talk about Mahama Pashile Aska bribery scandal.
Michael Belo.
MPP.
Mahama
Yema.
Okay, MPP Toya, yes.
Okay, next one. Next paper.
The Daily Statesman. Let the probe speak, Kingsley Ajima. Lawyers tell UK High Commissioner. Kuka for Ashanti, Kojo for Eastern. As MPP elects regional executive tomorrow. MPP seeks farmer-friendly changes in Cocoa Bill. Napo, Buzier's legacy must go beyond nostalgia. That's what.
Paper game.
The Daily Statesman.
Our Republic Press where MPP piles pressure on Ayeni over Aska bribery probe. The opposition New Patriotic Party has questioned the ability of the Attorney General and Minister of Justice, Dr. Dominic Ayeni, to independently investigate and prosecute individuals implicated in the bribery allegations surrounding the Aska Energy Power Project. All right, Mr. Nyagome, MPP Tokwe Amagareka, you can mention South MP, Nana AJ, Bar for a Wago Grombedi. Attorney General, you never end this story. If you end this story, figure. America to kumba bgakauru bajiwe be kuwe ke MPP to NDC to pa magan ko director ma o fa ni wa za ngula fiafie fiafie Attorney General ya obo Attorney General ga bajo janya ma be akunya ma MPP to awo yo mo lologo no public in inquiry ono kunyabia me no sem TVG fele Ghana Nang maybe you want to woman or TV. I didn't go. Now so then. Alright.
You
police arrest man assaulting pastor in CID custody. I'm a picture man, na kukukwa ne ko he. Tauba awusa alo Christian tauba Muslim yo over kuhia the old pastor. My guess was right. Pastor ile because the manya like Christian so more. I'm a journalist. Put on. I got that joy here as an Nima boy say answer. So Nkoko police investigates decomposing body of toddler discovered in stream. Nkoko ntomada vigi ara chijaja ko gbogbo e ko muje etome ko ta to la lo fofofo mo la lo ho mo yan e ko e ti akobu kaka ba ko dare to gare mo fifia ba horeji oli do wo enyan son do la mo ne boli o ku ji ko ji kaka ba ti dare po wi to gbo aba a o to je le yaji amewe lo alojo gbese 12 dead 22 injured in Ofanko crash. Police file a bonny robbery plot. Okay, make bonya kata ho ke ai kala fia ko nya ba MPP to ba bi yo makar mi ajiba ayeni aga go ben nole process kwai ne tabi public inquiry allo parliamentary probe Philly Kadochi
mais le shobe mi ape government mi ape founders wa onyanu ta o found on some principles there were they always la mi no accountable for me ape do na we
Tamila accountable
yes ya na ta hebe enya joa attorney general me ko Brian e follow abe dibia investigate ni ase no menyu de ke me nefi ke he ohia be akonya o dara chemi akonya o dara
topic o be yo me kade biaji o menye be je investigation we don't trust you so we want public inquiry
so no be o be yo me kade mi ajota na he investigation so o be wo if you get a MPP told all them what trust is whatever they are what trust so ya no relax
leadership attorney general we don't trust you
fifi attorney general be ile phone na be ni for the full briefing full case and dey akwe no go ko cover he ko ni a brief me be ameke pleke kemi we pick that from there ya o ma to bro na mi be yo ya yo meju ya we bro na mi be yo meju ke yo dikia alo government meliwa attorney general be he represent
me o ko nyane OSP me obi abia bo OSP attorney general mo ganye hon ni ko nyane OSP bribery penya OSP penya na OSP doma always le gaglagbe ye ko gbomla be yo GB ese ko do bribery is handled by OSP attorney general
the same people who attorney general back of the net OSP chefa fifie ke do ma no because there was a case there at the OSP he claim another obe yo ma no
meta o clear NDC talk la
yo ma no
meta o clear NDC talk clear
it was under ya obe administration
meta o clear yo ma
attorney general OSP investigate the say ya be we have president no one na ko allegation ma whole level to turn down there e bas hospital me one na kele mo under MPP ya to family
TVGL very fine
obe mi ape OSP ekele mi ape president mi ape current president His Excellency JDM be me wo vote da de ka
ta gara kuma re
be nu ka fi abe no ta e le bobro bela e ka bara e ta be gara ka si le bobro na ni ya e ko be enya ya he bro le ke je fi abe le OSP he investigate e ke che ya obe ame ya me bu me davo mo na ne ko de wa question
in the angle of the story come given a touch na me ready dokonaba akochom we attorney general be wane no gaglangbela
no don't feel mad na ho hia be after ho for evidence of everything they say because if you
about this
no I make it ho be no gaglangbe okay na be public inquiry Fifia ke make away the judges ala make ya sit on the
bipartisan probe honorable newspaper kan fia as bipartisan probe body enya be odo nyang na esipo as a parliamentary inquiry you moji normal level because international fraud in here
international members of parliament chede issue o me petition be yo dibede bene yo kele parliament fen ko yo dibe no way
bipartisan parliamentary probe
no way se be because yo cha yo lemon oh yes anything ya na be yes ta ya nko no let me para be
open ranking member, chairman of the committee, they're not wasting there. Maybe forfeited because at the end of the day, this event open some amount to parliamentarians, so if the parliament actually organize, there are no government parliamentarians because Nana J bar for him here, but yes, no wasting there. Can we anya parliamentarians to touch him hoga, even under MPP time, actually hogadi. You have to be over to parliamentarians, I don't know Secretary Hammond. Actually, ranking member too small. Who are the so that is fine. That is nobody you hear parliamentary inquiry. Yeah, parliamentary.
Hammond, the source. The source newspaper. Okay, paper Delhi, the source newspaper. All right. Okay, maybe we should leave that one. The source newspaper. Fine topics are very. Okay, MPP regional race. Coca leads in Ashanti, Kojo and Eastern. CSA fines ORC. CSA Cyber Security Authority.
Okay.
Fines ORC, Office of the Registrar of Companies.
Yeah.
Okay. 250,000. Okay, use Parliament's record to correct flawed cocoa bill. Okay, probe Asker bribery, paga to Speaker of Parliament. Do you get it? Now, Anglia, PAGA, accountability near PAGA. Make people full name in PAGA. Over Parliament should probe it. I think that's just it. So I think I'm liking that one because of the international scale of it. Honorable, because of the international nature of the fraud. All right, Daily Banaleboa. Okay, Flato. Oh. Okay, so go ahead. No time. Quickly, paper, newspaper.
Supreme.
Okay.
Updates on foiled robbery attempts at Laboni. Ashanti MPP delegates root for Odenehu Kweku appear to chair party. MPP demands independent probe into Holy Rain scandal over ASCEP Fabio. Chairman Kujo set to win Eastern Region MPP chairmanship. Dr. Kingsley arguments lawyers look back at UK High Commissioner.
All right, Ekpo Daily, Ekpo Ghanaian Times, so the Ekpo Daily Graphica. Daily Graphic, all right. Me, paper take a
Chronicles.
Okay, the Chronicles, but let me try the whole day.com. Let me hot topic.
The Chronicle.
Yeah.
Hepatitis B. Your barber's blade could put you at risk.
Okay.
Kingsley Ajiman defends his record. MPP election. Kujo rising home for victory. Yeah, that's all the
all right. Monya pipi ada no na fumade me ko ewu nkela fumagba.
Proverbs 22 verse 3.
Mo fu na politician ro mi no toji.
The prudent see danger and take refuge. But the simple keep going and pay the penalty.
Oba amanyala kpona ngojin yo bana. Kaka buneto no yin so va ganara gado. Ta nkela fumade danger. The paper man. Hepatitis. Ayo. Okay, me the whole honorable big story for today. Let's come up to whole day. INSS Cathedral Fund School have built 111 hospitals. INSS Cathedral Fund School have built 111 hospitals. Inye nyagbanto le afia. Oh, topic here of interest to us because Miss Felix Ofosu Kwaching Pifia report dogo cho investigation ko wocho cathedral nya. Number one, reporter de do jabono publish immediately alo no order no maybe rashibo. Amayo kenya senyala down la but top thinkers so the Ghana Katawa. No, we have to see the document unedited. Number 2, LMB a garden banana because church or ever do go you must bob a garaka yi mbele mo manyo sengware kam ase gomodade ta ni keglong ayani lefia. What are you privy to that we are not privy to? That is the question. Don't you think the media should probe this? How much is indeed involved? Let's start from there.
Yeah, so so National Cathedral issue so even prior to 2024 elections one. Because of at a point demonstration I'm on over the swimming so many
demonstration
at the point
6th of March.
Yes.
2024 Okujeto Ablakwa. Sam George Bleo Sami Jefiko Chimero Obechi Echiba Hare Duame Abo Bamangba Wajebo wa commissioner wa Avu Cathedral so
yes Yaba
Okujeto Babu opposition
over no Chifu Lefima so over no Chifu
Fio Obe you born at education of you gonna do educate
before that you see and me have to tell me complaining there. Efima ho National Cathedral to that. We have judges over residential apartment only.
My topic
no, I'm coming the ministry only Clito. Yava kake. Let me kake and I'm rent the pen I was on me the rent pay the fico lesson. Let me kaka my bell. You are to National Cathedral. National Cathedral no jago me bell. I'm a promise them out. Pledge bell. No, now win election. You have to append it. You have to honor. Kaka at the point where yaba won't pay to national pledge. Then me have jogazon at a point Oland US code no joga and they have a project at Jagoma. Abemi Africa where basically million import a from Israel. We compare to Israel. Then over the woman. Then they signify the Mauli. Maupet a penita. We import a pair or the pair container me. Kakaka on the door over code demi. Israel baji o import ekpe to Israel baji kaka vado Ghana okwe mi bre garden ma wo
Israel cho
that first off mi aweke mi le enu ya na jore yata ye vole mi akobe the black race allo Africans where they me thinking well.
We are thinking.
There's no way facilities only. Agenda 1112. Me import a shipment called Israel.
Over quantity already?
Oh, yes. So Israel. Me import a to Israel.
Every program I have, me to me by
import I can't wait to know my head is import a makaka. But the doors also to me by the excavator or bad the do fine. You can organize events make over one woman. I complete agenda 111 facility there.
It's true.
Attorney General because you have to check I have reported me I make I can sure maybe all the reporter actually scrutinizing all the qualificator than who over I make it sure I'm available to the general public. Me I me reporter me play priority like a no koya because me have to
attack to 50 agenda 111 hospital.
Yes.
Next statement I call Boga
yes, Boga free primary health care. Yes.
No, over reset toy yoi.
Okay.
Have you know as part of that phone. That over that 50 million. But you see, is there any evidence of wrongdoing, and why are we not asking those people immediately? No, you are a lawyer. Okay, we see your job. As a lawyer, we won't work for a court. Hello, sweetie. Lawyer, many Jojo, Samia, we know, by now, we need action.
Yes, so yeah, glom elebedi. Ebe last Friday ko ko e. Ta je bene akwe I invest.
No andana mo kon ni cha. Me
dane ko wo for dey. Ya to wa na mi anya zo be o. E ga ko.
Ne me minister mo ko mesrem sai ba andana mo kon na ma.
No, e ko be dey. Nya be ejiri na mi nya be o. Na he enya over dey. We dey investigate. Nya make sure be here.
Oh, investigation now report.
E ga ke ya che go to be report e ba ko ma at least je viens to channel over there. Ya pe wa jam open call because never la open call. Yes, I'm na o che je be wo to wa
go to continue pone lela.
Ya che the okon kon be ameke e wale with the evidence to attach. No, ya pe ya cha build e case a. O che wa o pe look a video o ma zam me ma talk at least je bo che wa proof read that go through and make sure be nyake ya me ya ko na ide eletepa. Yape na wonu ke bia in the court la enya be have watertight look the pa ya yi that mele sure be no helele yes ya me no gbogbo be dey e dey me prioritize me ape developmental look dey me prioritize use ogede because Ghana me na be health facilities so many me ape road so very bad me ape school so very bad Ghana no ko le bad dey no ka jobe me azanga akọ import petrol Israel akova dead domain for what ya me sacrifice me after hospitals where nu ya over ya me ko dare fi at the end of the day enu kere fu denya be dey amema o hele chenye decision makers o dey na so o se klila o the UK no se fi o UK ke mi amegeto ma ton UK la okay wa ton ami no fi ke mi ya wi unchore amede Abdul Hanan o be fi e penku that you just need a specialist in the UK and US. Yeah, you cut a yano for there. And look at who bell everybody specialist on the Ghana what so why UK or US? You see, export the situation.
That might trust me. I'm not seeing an opinion. You
see the issue. At the end of the day, one of me ya kwa bede. Me ya me email na me kemeso. One of me have got misuse on misplaced. Look at me here, National Cathedral. Then you at this stage. Yes. Even when you go to Italy, Basilica, church entry. So if the church
add that which are now empty. Near the Yamoussoukro, like Ivory Coast, Yamoussoukro, Yamoussoukro, Ivory Coast. Biggest facility, faith facility in West Africa, empty. Arisito, Mama, Kubana, even Basilica.
Yes, that never go today. Let the church look at it. Give it to the church. On the form open group. We have a church elect to.
Honorable, don't be kind on this matter. Don't be kind on this matter.
So for me, the truth is that
Kaswa, hold on. Kaswa, Millennium City, or Pentecostal to none down Rafman. Action Chapel at two churches. Kodesh at two churches. Nedo Huto Eburi Bona, Lighthouse, Otumo. Mwakata kuvana ba Jonah. Me government be our Thanksgiving. No you dey gbogbo tapo kokwe o do moto re kare. Go
me jenu ya go me kwacho me hia. Even na get consider there the church obe no tu. Isu be
in a mosque.
Yes.
Yes. That mosque we have in Kudia. That's the biggest mosque in West Africa.
Yes.
The Bukparo nchi
evidence. You have evidence. So that is it. That already la project malam ni probably misplaced. Feel like a project man. Government that can make a commit webe akonu manu. When hospitals only imewunu. The view amono jedo facility they can melu. Motorable roads even to hospitals even with the voter vigilance amono jedo no call the motoji. Ncho me no kwa fi bag bozome. Click on. So these are needs already here. Many ya department me no agbe. Alo la mesene no ya be me no la mesene lio. Me le so poor me even how to mail a day 3 square meals a day. Kwache am mo le possible complaining. Ya me waste the guy the project yam. Why ima charge am ya about cost financial loss to the state. That for me Attorney General have reported na bele ko brebe a fee about a gamma sunu whole waste lefima up to 50 agenda wawa facilities wa. Then make sure be investigating. Then here make it all jebe no charge la. Yes, at the end of the day, make sure that Ghana me a guy la elevated. No waste that I know misappropriate me afega. Ozami afega ya katia. Na when me because and you pay more so called the call the pevia. Elle very poor state. A gamahala aton jamo madonna. At two clinics then you pay confirm. Then me a call la me secretary. Etala. Then make sure they investigate. Now making ya do me afega kwa. Mi ho galesi. Ne ho mi ho ga for ya o hian ba no ka ne ka strong video le inside. Ne ka ba strong video
LG inside LG
LVD ko be ami ava ko ma ho galesi o ko mi tutu dem
so for you ka do down de no ration dia.
No,
donc we na eva pon be amesha make church cathedral to one church ma for wailing. Boy ba people shall humble themselves and pray.
Yes.
You ko to isudana balama.
No, ya bro me bede. Ya o ya de na he be advice dey. Fine. Gake at a point when I'm pray. Na me de he dunya fe garden. If me ya me for garden. Advice ya no, what on advice? Gake for now, no only just advisory service. I don't advise you to go out and na. Fine, but okay, President Bele, you as a church you your advice bro. You wale gake gare ke me ba to bo, alo gahe wan bo du ga won kire ko. Fine, then you can me after gake ne ka me du me after gala.
Enya be national chief imam hanega 40,000 cedis.
Oh yes, I'm
no Ghana, Emaima. Pentecost Church na 3 million. For information, go and fact check. Church of Katayome la ule mo say ICGC na 50,000 those days. Gayo kata mi buga. Ayi enye secretary, secretariat ajo, Dr. Ayi, Salt and Light. Nemi na adam fun ya pe jirugu ye over o fo dada ya okun bia. Ejo mi abia mi yare. Enya abia mi yare kokoko. Asa gona de. Okay. 2 minutes mahama be te fa to go ba zu tourist center ya hari nyama gomre de susu gbagbare ba fia.
Ebe ya tro azu tourist.
Mo jaka chari fo.
Oh no, me le so be earlier maybe government je ga ke fifie ke looking at look le jojo le fi ma ya. Kaka at the end of the day, eje be mi wona na mezi bo e fi ma che ezu ele wo look ma because na le ke you. Mezi ba mi lo ko mi aka be aka pop to residential apartment do le e fi ma ko bo. E mi pop bo because e look le fi mi fe ke ga ke ka suso. Alo ga ke o ka hia ko wu ko manu a. Menye e ga view at residential apartment na mo wa for mofe ano.
What about the question of causing financial loss to the state?
And I see Mamma Bobe, the Attorney General, I investigate me. Now make it all a doing up a guy at the Majomaja. A Senate ploy, Kaka, a Sia Cloa, a Jamico Gagba, after enemy cannot a Seneca ploy, elevated a gap for Yala elevated because me here gamma. A gamma ho zan here. Even the architect, a gamma snow, and I miss it. They got you. I'm more inflated and more petty. Amo America he imported clear control Israel covered the actual cost financial loss. That you mean there is elevated that Attorney General Bojidi they investigate me there. They come here for down and make it all here prosecution jar. They say actually. He has to be able because national cathedral me nyamu ya ho gbedeke mile bro. That whole job fifie kwa. Ni ko mu to west go. The Attorney General get to work.
Attorney General get to work. Too much press. Work. 0242670773. A number ke miata actual account de Nigeria 0242670773. A number. Story mamnalahoride.com. Mahama Gonyare. Over nga. Double track. Yeah, me the horide.com is quickly. Do Kokola John Dramani Mahama Gonyare. Ike inye agenda. Second thing we want to talk about today. Mama rabe na yo doshi suku baba ndi kple aye ke kple ko mi gbome mi enyevo oh suku dede the secondary school free Amos secondary school them from my. Okay, that's it. Scrapping double track will better Wase results. Mahama, INE says Cathedral fans could have built Agenda 1 house. Agba, Musham de Jenkle, graphical and neat.
Yeah.
Jenkle. Okay, INE says Cathedral fans could have built Agenda 1 hospitals. No. scrapping double track will better what's results. Mahama Globe Neye Dujia, the for the Kamatutua, your double track system cancelled. Nyanya questioning you. Ever me a million, almost cancel Magbo. Therefore, I will bomber near your cancel. I know the time, but my tied you to me, not cancel it.
Yes, Tanabeleke, President Ebla, and assurance me, and even after ko alowa who school yanu henye one of the e-blocks ka insist be double tracker be ne you cancel it ka ke cancel le na be ne you expand infrastructure we that if you ho over most of the schools wela all the dormitories we to o ka expansion over later we na ta be e-blocks do chela edo o ka je kono ka le do cheta be nu ma one no an ya pe ne he o cancel la anya do awado alo only na school view over one monument a hall in the school view over one monument mitowe ta me le show be na ta delay vide ka ke project all the ta me le
project cow
le school so me infrastructure le school so me
school cow yo school ma tonam le
secondary school so ole
yo school ma tonam le ho chichina ma chanto
ame se be mauko e de do o yijile mauko ni
nkai ji
dormitory so to dormitory so mauko ta obe peki secondary school che ele school buildings doleji that schools will get the Ghana PTA all benefiting from government expansion drive here. There was a time the Education Ministry in partnership with a World Bank who secure about 300 and something million there that could support the infrastructure project in schools where they stop the double track. That LNG and the thing the e-block controlling. It's just that the NDC 2016 free senior school even were progressively free. And you have to watch another comedy. Ejebe foundation, always foundation. Ejebe nese, alu foundation, then wine. Now, me na okay. Then anyone who are free, wholesaler. Now intake wasubo. Next school all those subode, like a color management. Ta ejebe me to hope the dynamic start the e-blocks where.
Can me? It's a question. Anybody ni influence is not. But me on to me agbovun me on to me arokionchi mi na amo nya madinya obiame. Du corporal globe le bantoma ejerio scrap me. That is the question, and I question come biana me de. In your question ke ha ho ba bian ba when you go say me. Nya kata gbon la egbo po 2024.
Emeko.
You understand? Ta egbo nane ebe oga for bantoma. Chifie na gatro gaba gbogbombe nia na yewe e oga like egbo be nwa oga yi abayi.
Egbelebe o na heva. Ya cancel double track within the first year. Ya ho vala eje infrastructure ogome. Ta maybe umeton a honu. Ta umeton cancel because ejibe am honu. E mag baba okay e cancel it. Na cancel it. E ho medo o ide mauli. School view ba chief ma o mekpo do pe alo mekpo mo so aw. Yes, egbele. Kaka ho vala na tabe ejibe e ho la e kale ho tu. Be ho no le. Na he cancel afa ta e de ko je ko me e block o wenke. Other infrastructure solution tamile hoping that by end of this year kala miaje nuke dokpo because in terms of no canceling the viono school fee within 1 month 1.5 kola go back from 2 months ejibe na ka organize extra classes now kemi akaba no ga help me put it's supposed to start for me. Yes, the fact be major last year the nuke dojo na menye be the effort oleji expansion oleji the school so me. Then hey, government okay, it's double track day. You might have issues with FK the viewer Moloro, FK one Maso. You might have issues call Ube, okay, may declare, they may stop double track. Give me the viewer is called a yes, that's egg. And look talk wow, they are number one declare, allow one to state mando, if you take here, double track is stop here, and then what? Tamil show, yes, Kaka Piano, Kako Yekwa. Ya senya de double track la eto ta menye nu ohia be wan be okay because igbele ya imeton to focus no je be me to the first year ta because igbele ta change na allo by all means e je be ni stop it out foundation is better be the and delay he wan no ko be wa ko pata be ni and declare okay he promise the 1 year la be cancel meanwhile cancellation can here wa foundation de kamelo de view that is better be delay wa no de dire ko be patapata he wa ba ko nya ko fe that for us
na mi gba do mi do ni patapata
For us.
Name your ma, you want it.
For us, that it's a good one. There I e-blocks or you can let get the one. At least, hey, at the end of the day, I stop double travel.
Okay. Enyaton chimiagbo ike ya na wena 2 minutes. Nga ometon ye micho wo campaign. Eronku ngbegblo ometon ike no jidudu hoho nchia. Eronku ngbegblo ometon ike no nchia. Ba cathedral. Pavelia Free Senior High School. Me by your review ga amoba mi review council ga. Mi ko manchi ba yo. Tonia yenye donc nwa jinamla. Cathedral kple nchu fa gbododo kpe nyon gbododo. These were the 3 main campaign I think problems.
Because
These are the 3 main problems. Cathedral nyanya, I'm talking as a journalist.
Okay.
Let me show you here.
Fight corruption. Now reduce the number of ministers to the barest minimum.
Masenya glomro babede enwi okegben le jidudu anwi ke mi ko campaign ni
number of ministers
fifia never do nchukwu gbododo gbo appearance me makpo wo se kpo ha never do review of the senior high school me timeline kpom haro enaba mu fumbe tunex ye mami ba wanani that clarify for me as a good communicator ko na makle comments.
In regards to the double tracker, yes, me promise.
Me block my way.
But the free senior high, me
review.
And the free senior high reviewer, yes, me bless the be none all the free senior high school who which the government never was to ta me va me was to open do back paging. Fifia ke no do make a school omela open do make a live. And make a the call maybe a journalist and say ma make a school that can make a so you short no do me. Allo osef no do ko economy afia
allo go million do am
million me petola ime ka se be review dey jile fini allo process dey jile fini ta free senior high school nu gede la eyi me ka le nya o se na bele ko lecture ni no ta fe be there's an improvement e fe mi wo do lecho ya na ta be me ka le nya rekeso because at a point mi se nya o gede academy now the target never okay me cancel double track. After any review, any okay, me improve no ziwe. If you can open no because LBVD, no do LBVD, it take much of the budget, our allocation wa, no do LBVD. No problem sort, ni solve issue mavo. Nyadeke mekali. Now make an infrastructure will expand. Ka me expand for take the me attach double track eche. Me double track edi. Ke mean at least school one or you know contact hours to was but the education sector, a doology, they promise me now, delivering on them. Now the HB, I know the to play Mawa. Yes, Parliament, I will just elect the president. But yes, definitely, but your president assurance, I mean, the whole bill ready to do it. They are sent it. Then, we transmit it. I don't have the care.
Obono trongwa ye mi senwa meme obono tre ko ye
what the bad
honorable ma bebe asenwa
never complete the cover go do menye bede ya che no ko kwefe ko assign I go to okay enu kele mede enua ya pe assign tane ho kwe ekele fide ni aka wo dole fide ni aka ko mitwa tane he parliament o ka review ko okay e je be no wele ya already be assigned, but they member my sign. Okay, but if there's an issue, I refer back. Okay, the pocket that, because pocket that like you are. Then they go kabuna like you are well. Yes, every year already be assigned. There are no present here. Me say I'm a head government. They say they fine. I assign. Then we are good to go. Make problem assign on any occasion now. Me le dodge chebe my sign. Even no what docho, that what docho. If you get correction, here no work one.
All right, comments. Majiba manya be commenter comments odomi agbon. Please, I need the feedback on that. Kama subo ma comments so. We are clearly the one back pa all right, so nya ajago machofiare now. Nkpola 0242 670 in your number. Ike zaganala acho ado ajepaklem 0242 670 773. In your number, because I won't call Africa na ajedo na me sure enye na jijo number me no ba gbaja no number me la ba ngo sese fiaro wo na phone line kaka miomi dof maharo kaka ehia ikule ni dona je plin ta enye jijo nam 0242670773 is a number am gbanto do message nam enye faith vraiment ebe don dynamique dakwana mi be mi interform le Ewenyigba TVG ta faith for message ya to Facebook on attack the Facebook and wait of ma and when ni ne be agbo na gble akodo. So that's first message from faith. Mary Holanyo he had do message down. Mary do message down to Facebook ya loloko odefiami muma okorura mi a flower mo okorura mi anyimo so go mo kaka do hia fia bo you agloba nya le doji alo apenami. All right, so me at of my have a WhatsApp akpo message ka WhatsApp to ma okay holali agbamasubo nwenye nkolo nkema kadio ya lolo ejimare heart he na you heart I love the show or something like that. Holali agbamasu nyema so nkopo enye sigbanto ma ejefia holali enye gbenye sigbanto mo nko sem. So I thank you for that message. Okay, me ide WhatsApp ji nyakpo imano kusogbodo message nam edakpa na mungia nakpo imano kusogbo message ya email uta na cho no my manko please quickly alwe mia ato egbato ako asere afiare Maraku number is amia tolling 0242670773. Good morning, Brother Tony. You are doing well. May Almighty bless you. Emmanuel Kusobofon, Emmanuel Berman. Brother Tony, a person enter into police headquarters and slap a person in custody. That person, the law must punish. That person must be dealt with by the law. Emmanuel Kusobega Roma. All right, John, the message that me Choma forever. The Kadira project is a waste of money. Tony, please press them hard. We are watching from afar. God bless you. We thank you for that. Pat Chokachi do message down. Good morning to you and the team. Tell Dr. Ayeni we are in Akachi. We support him. Use the money for hospitals first. Watching live from Akachi. Mike do message down. In Dinami, this is why we love Ewenyigba TV. No fear. Ayeni should continue to speak. Bankwe is with you. Okay, Mike me to Bankwe. Message Akacho Kuma boy for Kuma. The morning boss, Dr. Ayeni is talking sense. Agenda 101 is more important than Cathedral. Tony, you are doing great. No subo mawu amogo konjinyo you. Bobo the Dorejo. Jifa. Morning boss, cancel it fast. My nephew is suffering with that system of Ewenyigba TV. You are doing a great work. All right, thank you, Jifa, for that message. Salam, the message number. Because Tony, they ask the right questions. What's the results? Go better now. We they watch you from Likpe. Salonye Sigbantom Likpe. Tofan Kosem. Do Ejelikpo. Likpe lolo bi akpafu.
Oh yeah, me the Likpe kofo di akukran to me. Area ma mepete. Ayuma.
So me have a sister mado message that me ojijo nampa and touchale that marakuku message of them all the time. We need more messages from you and we need more messages from you. Okay, 0242670773 your number because I'm more like message so don't I mean 0242670773 in your numbers I'm mole. Tamia we kaba email you. Don't could you back to friend Diona Okbaya where Tadano line me for honorable rich money than coffee photo so we put me a plaga. I feel me to Wɔna ya Wome. I'm a baron Banami, Mio Catapographia there. All right, message the car show FO Kumagbo morning. Oh, I think we've read that one already. Kwame, do message now. President Mahama has spoken well Uninterrupted classes is what we need. Thank you, Ewenyigba, for bringing this to us. Kwame, do message, Madam, or message I don't like you. Tony, please ask government if they have finished the new dorms before they scrap it. From Pasa with love. Ablado message, Madam, to Pasa. Beautiful questions. Ogbo Glombe, Nobia, Amagak Biaobe, Eke Glombe, yo. Double track. I've ever in different dog where Suku Fanya Bromole. Yo for Kutuga Mari, yo be observed to Suko ye yaoha. I make a now move a bam in of here. I'm okay 24 economics in high school. My do Ella be the formalio be to the power after your bisama. All right, that's a very important question. All right. Malco Domesena, good morning, Tony McBoy. Tell the president Qatar parents are happy today. This will improve results. Malco Chokata message, Madam. Jifado message, morning, Tony is researching Ghana starts with education, scrap double track, and build more senior high schools. God bless you and the team watching from Honorable. Vekolen. Yes. All right, Zekolim. All right. Me, church, me and Chita, honorable. Put an playing at Berekarako. Racy, no Hannah put an.
Look, my wish MPP touch a very well. I bet you all of the constituency, no regional elections over above the Mali school.
Constituency election.
No, regional.
Regional
election.
Makai, man, Shabanting. Wonya Christo Bay in Africa.
Christo Bay National
Organizer. Christo Ina.
We have Wallace who play
King David have in Africa. I have organizer.
Competition at the time. And I wish them well.
We'll be there. Constituency
branch education, C branch, play NBC talk at all the branch executives. They are well the talking the campaign in Benin you represent the constituency. And I wish them well. At the end of the day,
we wish you well from the morning show decks of Ewenyigba TV. Elikam Chomabuo has been my guest. Akpeno, Prissy, Dogbana Momiajo. O energy level up at the woman. All right, my Dakman Jose. But no more gonna make Dakman make a poor daughter, Christian, Adabo, Adiabo, Medakman, News Never Dictionary, Vola have a clinic. Playing in Tony Montmoica, no, wood on a lookout design, got done a gabaco. Have a happy weekend and Babanemia milk Miapa Lonotola, Bagile, Bapapaji, Avi, Egamonogama, Bafe Fiento, Amoro, Tabuka, Ugarabu, Akamaulam, Maulam, Madafaramita. Bye bye.
No silence ever English dictionary. Mais si dictionary a son fi de passer K. No silence ever English dictionary standard ton standard and you know the view and you know the view canola basic level and you know Americanola SHS and you know Americanola university allow language on nanya make a manya view and be a strong but no silence ever English dictionary and you know I must make a nanya view mutual and be a strong but no silence ever English dictionary and you know mama yala dile go so mad na at place order Amazon allow number can follow screen Nigeria open to me to the can now sab afisi african la ya call no silence ever English dictionary akwa koveno akpe no silence ever English dictionary and you talk
to ship products from Germany to Ghana. Ŋdi Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Ŋdi Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Rex Stitches. Afi enye nyongo kple ntuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sport wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobi na junction na de Frajet Hotel gbo tututututu. Afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Go. Oh, what the? Let go, Joy.
Oh, baby, ma. Ibadah kple keke tu Boye. Katanya cuma traditoi. Amos kple.
Oh.
Nengma fam. Nengma katanya matu. Manoci kau. Oh.
Dari nanti Abraham fi baraka inele ya pati ketukanya Boye wa. Basi hasbena didila nuna mfia. Koko ina duna fa garawonye ya nyapana pasi bani ko hi wonta nyani kuramwa. Wala pasi ko ko nya ko katara ge.
Bo. Mano chiko ku ndo ke plolo.
Vai batakalo sugo. Ita bika dada fikramon tonto. Wala pasi ko wa busielo weto fira.
Mayire vola to gbo. Ye no chika ko mo pon jeje.
Vola chika no ple. Na zama fiva nana kama furaga nawo. Mashama nazi.
Nyapa toto wala toto fita. Itanye za vola chika. Nyato matoro ha. Woza vola chika fofo jijila ama.
This vola piki.
Yeah.
Vola baby.
Mauna yura vola to. Ona wala masa.
Vola pachika wala chika drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pa mala akblawu wojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned le akwe kala hwahwe gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street wojango local restaurant atututu opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamli dagba wa oja dogoma ndiga andrekla afa wadashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1450
vola
Nina ne miayi vola va senta afima mi apota yo la nyadeba vola
e fi valão aklori le fuda now alele le fuda now domaru le fuda now e ti de padaka o futo makata mele to wonyi de wa e ti maklo no ba na ile vola heba center ikele jengo apla Victoria Park afima na kodo wotu akame wa futo wo fukame o fukame tutu dokada vola heba center Dr. Prosper Debeneba akodo come on vola
kadon kwajiba vola pachika munyuna funo nyonu yo no nama vikle de fio mo hopo ye fo